बोलो ना.
कह दूं कि तुम मेरे
No.
दिल में रहोगे. कुछ होता है.
Why don't you go with like चोले के पीछे क्या है?
Chole. I could take some names.
You could? Come on, let's do Punja.
No, don't make me cry.
Everyone do blow at my funeral.
You want oral sex gratification after death?
No, not that one.
Count me out, bro.
बीता हूँ.
Broach the cockroach. So it should be Broach the cockroach Janata Party.
So Shilpa watched.
No.
Good.
They think of me as hired help, you know.
Should we try and do a 30-second bit of this podcast which we dub over?
So Sabha wanted a new iPhone. Yeah. हाँ उठा लिया यार. Why don't they just try and pick them up?
You have two friends.
Or I went with Abhay and Farhan. All of us went and we were like, yeah, ये chaps ना मिलेंगे दोबारा.
This is Ritik. Bariku is also Kashmiri.
Yeah.
You all meet.
Oh.
Yeah, all the time.
And then do you all do the orgasm in Kashmiri?
No, we sing Bumbro.
So he wins. How can you let him win? What the fuck, man?
Yeah.
No! In the words of the famous poet Iqbal, this is what he said before he said anything, because he had a cough in his throat. Akanksha is back, which means now we have three in this, 400 square feet of land in Bandra with three Akanshas.
Yeah.
What has happened to India?
These are the real problems
Yeah,
that we
real.
need to discuss. Yeah.
Shantanu, what's a very common name? Alone.
OTT is Amitabh Bachchan. I have a human mime thing throwing shade at me. Huh? Too much.
I just feel, one day, by the way, Amitabh wants to come on your show. I've been told. On your real
Podcast.
show.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
This
That's
one,
what
Popcorn
we
Hour.
only
Yeah,
wear
which
this.
we only plug.
By the way,
don't have
they are
other
going on
clothes.
our IBM Cine podcast, Cine
Cine
5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm dating Karan Mirchandani.
Okay,
We have decided to out this
They've outed
relationship
it right
today.
now, yeah.
that's the mela, guys. They're very sweet. They're very sweet.
Yeah.
But that's a very interesting concept because you all have a film show, so to speak. They have a film show, so to speak.
We're going to
Yeah.
be warring a little bit.
Cannibalism happening.
Yeah.
Brotherhood, bhaichara, more like.
Bhaichariya.
Not between Karan
Learned
and
a big
I.
word today, huh,
I've
beta?
been watching Splitsvilla and they use bhaichara.
They
a
use
lot.
Bhaichariya and
They say
Splitsvilla?
bhaichara.
It's like
all-
satire. What?
No, they're like, हम भाई हैं यार, हम एक दूसरे के साथ भाईचारा
He's
करेंगे.
aware of the tackiness of IPs that MTV creates.
But she's right, the young men, I know. Come on. But I like the way she's doing the male,
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
Splitsvilla, roadies. They all do that,
Yeah.
but then they sound like they're speaking Haryanvi after that. But they start Afro, like,
Yeah.
and then goes,
Yeah.
"Oh, what's up? It's like, bro, it's not marrying properly. here.
Best analysis I've ever heard on Splitsvilla.
They say something but Haryanvi later.
Yeah.
It goes into that. It starts very New York, I'm from the Bronx. or
Hardik
something.
Pandya.
But Hardik
Splitsvillain, if
Hardik
not
is-
cricketer.
no.
Hardik was brought up by Kieran Pollard, the West Indian from Trinidad. So he's got a lot of that influence.
How,
Don't
like-
forget, his first 2-3 years, he used to follow him
Now
everywhere.
this makes so much sense.
You mean of
Now
his
Hardik
life?
Pandya makes sense.
He was in
He was
Baroda.
an 18, 19-year-old boy when he first played for
That brought
in the
up.
Mumbai
Ah,
camp
that
and all
makes
that.
more
And Pollard
sense.
was already becoming a star and also. He has very West Indian swagger now.
But Krunal was brought up by Ajay Devgan.
Look, Krunal was also there, but now he's fallen into that whole divide in Karnataka.
Divide and rule.
As in, no, 2.5 years you, 2.5 years me. So the brothers also splitting in the same. Too much politics.
Good one. Always
Only in India we can do all this, brother.
Yeah.
Only in
Really?
India. No, we can have deputy chief minister, uska deputy ka friend, lieutenant deputy minister. If somebody passes away, there'll be a relative. Everything is done in India perfectly well like this. There's nobody will be left without a job.
Yeah.
I'm very proud.
I think it works.
I think it works.
Yeah.
Are you feeling cold?
A little bit.
That's why you're holding your hands
Yeah,
like that.
it's quite cold in this room, but it's fine. I'll manage.
I feel very bad because let's say we have our own thermal
Yeah, you
underwear
all have
that
yours.
we
We're back to
that our parents gave us, and so we're okay.
What are you talking about?
Nothing. Just
Are you talking about your obesity?
Slim Shady, man. Slim Shady.
Hey, I'm slim, you shady.
Acha, why are we here? What is the
Why
show?
are we here? That's
Let's
a very existential
ask the other
question.
Akanksha, na, because I forgot.
Why are
now.
we here, Akanksha?
Cock and bull only?
Cock and bull.
Okay, alright. great.
Like a Mike Bartlett play.
Okay, pretend I know the reference. Yes,
I
yes.
don't know what that was.
There are two plays written by this guy.
But let me-
One
Have you
called Cock,
noticed
one
how
called-
Shantanu says theatre? It's a theatre.
Oh, he-
It's
he becomes English, like
yeah,
Kunal.
it's anglicized.
Yeah.
अबे क्या बकवास कर रहे हो तुम दोनों?
This is the
She
problem.
accuses me a lot of being some elitist about it.
I'm with her. A lot of
Yeah.
you guys do this. You all switch culture, and then with that you switch your avatar. Okay, and then you keep switching in the same conversation.
You
We're
don't
fucking
mirror.
going mad.
You don't
It's
mirror
actually very
personalities.
hard to
You
keep
don't
up.
mirror.
Mirror
I
personality.
mirror.
That's a little different. That's a little different. I'm just talking about when you suddenly decide you're Bengali in the middle of the conversation. Now we have to understand what you're saying. Then you
Depends
go
on
back.
the word.
Then you go back to Telangana and you're
You
Telugu
are
now.
exactly the same way. What are you talking about? How can you call me out for being
No,
exactly
Cyrus
what?
is consistently parsed.
Akanksha,
So consistent.
I have single-handedly destroyed the Hindi language. Okay, so that everybody around India is comfortable with the language.
You're doing the
I made
good
it
work.
so
Yeah.
difficult to people who speak good Hindi. They actually start speaking badly after some
That
time.
middle school joke, na? The English fucked our country for 90 years. We will fuck their language forever. Or whatever.
Splitsvilla is also doing their bit.
Yeah, I think
for
so.
English. Yeah.
But Saukar actually told me this. The great Cyrus Saukar. Show a picture.
The big boss
Who
of
doesn't
OTT.
know?
The big boss.
Yeah.
No, he once said to me, यार आपकी हिंदी सुन के मेरी हिंदी तो भूल गया मैं. And you know, after some time, actually, I think that's what happened. The worst thing is the bigger influence.
Always,
the purer thing is the
always.
less influence
Yeah,
always, no?
always, always, always,
Yeah,
always,
yeah.
always.
Look at the way we are thinking like great philosophers. Huh? Kya
No,
baat?
today we already covered ground.
Niche.
Like we've covered a
We are
lot.
niche.
We are niche.
But you guys don't know, Akanksha has a drinking problem, which offline we have. No,
I don't, mom. I don't.
your mom watches this show.
Yeah, I told you. She's
How young
bad.
is she?
She's not. but
Just
she-
the excitement when you asked that question, Cyrus. There was
some
too
excitement
much.
that-
How young is
Your
she?
mom?
There was too much. It could have been more factual. It could have been how young is
Did
she?
you feel creepy about my reaction, or did you feel
I
like?
felt
Depend-
happy.
Only,
I
your,
felt
only your
validation.
feelings matter in this situation.
But how
actually,
can
mine
how can
don't.
Akanksha make this mistake of saying no, she's not?
She's
You
young.
never say
My
that.
mom likes the fact that she's aging. She's embraced it.
Oh, she's cool.
one of those.
She doesn't
She's
like
cool.
lies.
Can we
She's not one of
about-
the-
not-
she's not-
stop
she's never been.
embracing
She's
your
not.
mom.
No, it's,
Shall stop this?
it's also some women are smart enough now. After some time, when guys say how young you look and all that, it's like, come on, bro. 30 times I've heard
Not
it now.
inside my life
Yeah.
experience. and
Yeah,
all.
stop lying.
Yeah. Same.
And yeah, but you look young.
Yeah. It's a lie.
Yeah.
May I ask? I can't ask her how old she is, but what do you,
I'll tell you.
what do you
can
reckon?
She's not 30 plus.
Let me guess.
Between,
Yes.
That way our
Always
relationship will
tricky.
end badly.
Okay, guess,
Yeah.
guess,
This
guess,
is tricky.
guess.
Now, fuck, are you mad?
Okay, it's smack in the middle of 30 and 35, I would say.
Is that correct?
Yeah, correct.
So then obviously I've been trained correctly by women in the house. So 31.
Ah.
Huh?
Then I'm 32.
So
And
we-
you're
ladies and
50.
gentlemen, Shanti, we've reached 31. Now 32? What is
Enough.
it?
33 in October.
मैं बच गया. Because I stayed at 31. I'm on the right side of the balance sheet.
Yeah, great. I'm 35, but I look 40. That's what I'm doing.
You're not 35.
I'm 35. I'm
You're
91.
not. You are not.
Then let me flirt with him now 5 minutes.
Have a moment. Have a moment.
How do I know? I could pass off for 33, 34.
I'm sure you can.
He has a young person energy.
He's got a young face.
Energy
It's
is
all the
also
face.
very-
Yeah, energy is horrible.
Yeah.
Yeah. Too much energy. Boss, I don't want to be with this guy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he breaks into dances. And
Yeah,
all
and for no
that.
reason. You'll be having lunch. There'll be somebody just died in
He'll
the
eat
corner.
one tasty thing. He starts doing
Somebody
Salman
died.
Khan.
What's he
in the
like?
corner
What's he
and
like at a
danced.
funeral?
Well, I haven't seen, thankfully.
I mean,
right?
it will be tough for him,
Yeah,
no?
yeah.
He'll be like, everybody's like, he was a great man. He'll like,
I'm worried that the energy will be too low at my funeral. So
Man.
I'll leave like instructions saying at least dance a
bro,
little.
if it's an evening funeral,
Do some blow
I won't come. Oh.
at mine. Everyone do blow at my funeral.
You want oral sex gratification after death?
No, not that one. What? No, what the hell are you doing? I'm talking
Count
about
me
drugs.
out, bro.
I'm talking about drugs.
I ain't doing this shit.
We've spoken about Shantanu's.
My inner Hardik is coming out, man. I ain't doing this shit.
In a Hardik.
Yeah.
Jamnagar. I don't know.
Random question I have. I'll
Why
ask
did we go
you.
Bengali? When in doubt, we go Bengali.
That's why
What's
acting
up?
career
What's
is
wrong
gone.
with this
This
show?
is my accent work.
Joke,
इसलिए यहाँ
no,
बैठा
no.
हूँ मैं.
Under pressure. See, when he's having an orgasm and all, we'll find the real
Why are
accent
we
comes
discussing
out.
this?
No, you think under pressure, the real guy,
I'm
the
sorry.
real Shantanu will come out, no?
Yeah.
He's got 30
This is
accents
just
playing in his
Bengali.
head.
Oh my lord.
Yeah. No, every word in
If
the
you
sentence.
call her my lover, she's never going to be your lover again. Okay? Let's be very clear here.
मेरी बंदी है, मेरी बंदी.
Mora bandi hai.
Have you
I don't
ever
know.
done sex talk in another language?
I don't do sex. Please. I have never done it. I don't want to.
Dude,
my in-laws,
can you
my
speak-
parents, they all watch.
can you speak-
I've
Can you
never,
speak Kashmiri?
never touched my
Can you
wife.
speak Kashmiri?
Huh?
So can you say like in the throes of passion in Kashmiri?
Shantanu.
Not necessary, bro. Not
Shantanu.
necessary. Below the belt.
Or,
No, below the belt. No. I think Samai Bhai has covered all this.
Yeah.
Go on.
Samay does stone throwing joke as a KP, which makes no sense. They never throw stones.
Okay, boss. We are reaching a point where we can't answer. Answer the point you're making. I just want an orgasm in a language.
Yeah.
Okay. I have to now
Okay,
make an
Telugu.
orgasm.
What is the language that you're
Telugu
comfortable with?
orgasm is ooh, ancha, wow, 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 ancha, wow.
This is like the N word.
Do, do,
We
do,
can't
do,
say
do,
anything.
do, do,
He
do. We are
can
not
say
allowed.
it. Yeah, he can say it.
That's what it is.
Now do it in Kashmiri.
No.
Because you lied in Telugu. And I'm not that stupid. I don't know what the hell. You just made a playful song.
He
You want me to-
becomes,
you want
you
me-
become
Who are you
Samantha.
sleeping with?
When you're having an orgasm, you
Allu
become
Arjun.
Samantha.
No, this is,
That's how-
he's alone when he's having this orgasm.
Allu
There's
and
no
Sallu.
woman who's going to stay. She's going to be, what the hell is wrong with this guy?
Only Allu and
What
Sallu giving
sounds came
orgasms.
out? Okay, be careful. First you're attacking states. Now you're
I'm not
attacking...
attacking. I'm talking about them giving
Bro,
me
we don't have
gratification.
any-
That's not.
We don't have any legal counsel to look after us. We have one MBA who's not even shown it, and just now Aryam is leaving the job.
Yeah.
We've
engineer.
announced it.
Yeah, the moment we started, it's so demotivating here.
Yeah.
Every day I come and two people go.
But what kind of politically correct response are you anticipating when the question is give me orgasm
Okay,
sounds in Telugu and Kashmiri?
Not sound. I want the language. How would you just give us a moment when if you were in Telugu or Kashmiri making love to someone, what would be the conversation from
Making
your
love
side?
is so sweet.
Yeah, I'm saying
Pretty
making
sweet
love.
Now. Yeah.
I have to make the sound. Okay, sure, I guess.
That's all part of your decision.
Oh, I don't know what the
You made Shakti Kapoor. There's a Shakti Kapoor inside of you.
I don't know.
The
This is
Pental.
very interesting.
Damalu. I don't know.
Dama-
This is like
Damalu is a Kashmiri
it
dish.
almost sounded like Ashok Kumar for a second. I don't know who he's playing now.
I think it's Shakti Kapoor.
Are you playing Shakti Kapoor and
Shakti
Ashok
Kapoor.
Kumar?
I would like.
Is it a threesome?
There is no.
There's
I'm not.
Samantha,
Shakti
Allu Arjun
Kapoor,
and Shakti
Ashok
Kapoor
Kumar,
in a room.
what?
Samantha.
But that was my
Wanda
Telugu.
Baba.
That is Telugu. Kashmiri, I don't think Kashmiri people are procreating enough.
Brother,
We need more.
leave the politics out of it and just do me the
There is
language.
no politics side. Okay, you want. Okay, short answer.
I can't.
That's the sound I would make.
And what will the girl do after that? I mean, this
Which
There-
is...
is-
who
There's
said there's a
no
girl involved?
Okay, okay.
Why
can
must
have
all
an
sex
orgasm.
be heteronormative?
No, absolutely, you're right. In your case, I guarantee this is a better option. because
alone.
somebody's
Somewhere
daughter,
alone.
somebody's daughter is going to need therapy for 6 months because what the fuck happened?
We are.
I think all of us need therapy.
I
after
need
this.
therapy without making
Yeah,
love to him.
I
Yeah.
can't. But I thought the last one was sweet. The was sweet.
The was sweet?
Sweet.
But she's just...
not scary.
That woman is screaming her lungs out
You're
in,
being
in
very
Bihari.
optimistic. In Bihari.
It's my movie.
My-
Yeah? So
This
she's
is
going...
a movie.
Aha!
This is being recorded. It's
Come
become
back.
a movie. He's Raj Kundra.
Come
He's
back.
recording.
Because there's come
He's
in, come back.
producing
Oh my God.
soft porn.
Akanksha,
I can't-
I
I
raced
can't
ahead
keep
with this
pace.
one.
I
You
can't
gotta
keep
keep pace.
pace.
Why are
Okay,
you Raj
now while
Kundra?
that's going on, give me his reaction. This woman's screaming for 15 minutes and his
Yeah.
reaction is...
15?
No, 15 minutes means
complimentary,
13
I
minutes she was alone. He just comes at the
Why
end.
was she screaming alone? Why was she for 30
Bro, it's my porn! You get your own porn!
Don't call it porn. You said love
Oh,
making
whatever.
and all.
Yeah, love making.
It's a love story.
Yeah, it's a love story.
It's a secular love
yeah,
story.
Yeah, well lit.
Pan-India pornography.
And secular, we're calling, pan-India.
Pan-India.
Rajamouli porn.
You are playing either Kashmiri or Telugu and the girl is from Bihar.
Bahubali porn.
Well, I'll keep changing the girl.
RRR sequel.
Same
XX.
actress.
Changing the
Same
girl.
actress,
This is
Akanksha.
not
Same
very
actress.
nice
You're just
of you.
changing the accent
I
because...
thought it's a love
कोई नहीं-
story, I'm out of this.
Ram Charan Lega.
दूसरी कोई नहीं आएगी. We have whoever we got, we fasa. There's no
Okay,
option.
okay,
Yeah.
okay, fine.
There's no question.
As long as you're fasawing her, I'm
Obviously,
in.
man.
I'm in again.
You're fasawing women? I lost my train of thought here for a second. I came back. and
Not. There's no sexual exploitation.
Never.
Good,
We are
thank God.
making art.
Never. Always.
Like
Always.
Raj Kundra.
Yeah.
And we're
Third
doing
mention.
good.
Hey, you guys, you mentioned.
I don't like Bastion, so I'm attacky today.
Amakai.
Have you ever eaten there?
We went to
We went to
Amakai
Amakai,
the
we
other
didn't like
day.
it.
How much you spend when you go there?
It's not that expensive.
It's not
one of
expensive
the-
and it shouldn't be.
It's really not good.
You will get her, no? She'll come here one of these days and then you'll be
Shilpa?
like...
Then you'll bitch
She'll
us
watch
out.
us? Does Shilpa watch you?
No.
Good.
They
So
think of me as hired help, you know, the kind of they can get anyway. Gansham, bag uthao. I'm more like that.
Ghanshyam.
Oh shit. Now we're gonna argue about the name. I
Ghanshyam.
have to give a reference, some reference.
Come.
Gansham was wrong.
Ghanshyam.
Mistake.
All the
Oh,
Ghanshams.
really?
We apologize.
All the
We
Ghanshams
apologize.
of YouTube.
Ghanshyam
What are the
or
next?
religious
What are the next big
implication, yeah?
superstar? Is Gansham Singh or something? He becomes like the biggest name in India.
Just as
like
a
Amitabh.
name, with
Yeah.
no
Like
disrespect
Just to
any
teach me a
religion.
lesson. Yeah.
They
I
would
think
change
Alt
Ghanshyam.
Balaji could have an Ghansham, no?
Have you ever watched all Balaji
No, I
stuff?
haven't.
I have seen.
I haven't fallen.
I don't get it because it's neither here nor there, no? You're trying to be a
It's
little
kind
bit
of
more.
corny,
It
no?
is, but it's not good enough.
Sure. If
What's
you can
good
watch
in-
Paul
so
Balaji,
why would I
What's good enough fun? What's
No,
good enough?
the internet is filled with stuff. Why would I
Any
watch?
top 3 records you want to give?
Yeah. there's a there's a girl called Coco. I won't give a full name.
Coco Melon.
Interesting.
No. Not all of them
What is
are that
this?
simple.
Coco Melon is a brand, na?
Is it?
Isn't it a brand?
I don't know, but it sounds like a movie you should watch.
It is a brand. Coco Melon is a
Don't
brand.
do this!
It's a
Shantanu.
I
brand
didn't
for
know it was a
kids.
brand for kids. Yeah, I just know.
Anyway, Coco Melon is the child of Coca-Cola. That's where it all started. When
Okay.
making love in Telugu.
Which is how you do the call time instead of the Coca-Cola. Yes, I don't know why it's Salman in this
Salman
point.
kind of
But it's
stuff.
always bi.
But I felt Salman was also Bengali.
Bisexual.
Slightly.
Salman
In
was
that
Bengali.
moment. No, that
Oh,
moment.
this, he's now
Akanksha,
today he's
pay
Bengali.
attention.
Today
Yeah,
he's
he's-
sorry. It's very hard to keep up with both
Yeah,
of you.
and the
You're
thing is-
realizing-
Yeah. Sorry. But you're the voice of reason in the podcast.
I will try.
Just look into the camera
No,
and
but
do
you're also a
mockumentary
drunkard
looks.
who misbehaves after
drunkard.
drinking. People
You know
should
you're
know.
believing everything Shantanu says.
But
The
you
guy who
yourself said,
changes his
by the
accent.
way, guys, I don't know, please follow their show. Maybe they'll be more open there. She apparently picks fights when they go out to
Yeah,
bars
yeah,
and all
yeah,
that.
yeah,
Akanksha, who's 6 foot tall,
Yeah.
and
Bach ke rehna,
there'll be a
bhai.
couple of boys who will be like, oh, let's not take a panga with this one. Yeah.
They don't approach only, which is why I'm trying
Has
to
a
fight.
short man ever approached you?
No. You know.
Rajpal.
I love tall women. I mean, not you. I mean,
You don't.
No, I like you, but I'm
There's no
saying
way of
I
getting
don't
out
sound
of this.
creepy, but I
Not
love
creepy,
taller
you can
women.
say.
Is what I'm saying.
Oh, okay.
Ah.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's-
Is that
it's like,
Pomeranian
what's
confidence?
too
no?
tall?
The
A
short
Pomeranian.
Pomeranian going up to the Great Dane saying, "Let's mate, yaar." Yeah, because
Isn't it like sometimes it can be too tall?
no, what's
No?
too tall?
Like 6'4", too tall.
So what?
No?
Why is there all these all complexes?
Yeah.
I agree. No, I'm
No, you
for
can
this.
do
I'm
whatever
for
you
this.
want to in life.
Also the
okay,
posi-
motivational
top
speaker,
shelf.
Also, guys,
Raj
Zumba.
Shamani in the house. You
Trapeze
can do
artist,
whatever you want.
want.
You guys
Life is yours.
you don't understand about sex. Let me tell you don't have to be standing.
Sometimes.
तो अगर standing नहीं होता है तो don't worry about all
This
this.
is when did we start talking about sex again?
This is girl all the time asking uncle questions. Uncle help me,
You're
uncle help me.
asking-
I
Some
said
boy
that-
says
I
sannyas
said
tak. My book is out.
generically.
Go and read
You're
it.
asking questions about sex.
We can make this about sex. Yeah.
Why are there two conversations that we're having?
Boss.
मैं तो यहाँ normal बातें कर रहा हूँ. Raj
Yeah.
Kundra,
Also,
Bastian के review दे रहा हूँ.
whenever we talk about sex, he's going to change accents.
Yeah.
That means then we
Like
cannot
what?
make out with those people for the
I
rest of our
mean,
lives.
true.
Because he's
Bilkul
killed
na
one
for
state,
me.
then he kills the next state, then he kills the third state. We are left with no one, boss.
Should we make him cover each state today?
I don't think so. Please give me hope if my wife leaves me.
Oriya. We will
That's
cover
too
Oriya
similar.
next.
That's too similar to
Okay, have an orgasm in Oriya. Come on.
No, can't.
I mean, have a real one.
I'll
Just
do
say
a...
Biswa.
I mean, we'll really get out.
Amit
We'll
Sana.
get-
I'll do an Amit Sana impression.
Okay. No. Listen, we get it wrong. Amit, we apologize. This is not an impression.
Amit, that's my, I like Amit Sana.
I
I voted
voted
for
for
you.
Amit Sana.
Oh my God, he did. Yeah. You know Amit Sana?
I very well.
Oh,
No idea.
You know-
Indian Idol. That is first season
Oh,
of
that
Idol
Amit Sana. I
runner-up.
remember him. Yeah.
The guy who lost.
What does he do
yeah.
now?
He sings.
Live gig.
That Rahul and all those guys, Abhishek. I remember all those names.
Abhijit.
Abhishek is Big B's son. Different guy.
No, there'll be an Abhishek in Indian Idol. Go through all the years.
There was.
There you go. There you
First
go.
year, yeah.
Dekha?
First year I had an Abhishek.
So what happens to all these Indian idols now going
They
back?
sing at weddings or like live events, corporate events.
But they make good money?
I think so.
You joined Witchcraft, you didn't tell me.
No, I know this.
No,
because
she's right, she's
Companies
right.
do this.
You're
Companies
rich,
hire.
no?
Boss
At your
rich.
wedding, you'll hire no one singer to come.
Are you married?
I'm hoping I'll get married next
They are
year.
To
soon.
Ayush.
Yeah. Oh, Cyrus, what?
Ayush is
I remember the
That's insane.
one more woman taken by some Indian male.
Tall Ayush.
Yeah.
tall,
Yeah.
he's also tall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when are you getting married?
I mean, I don't know if I should announce like this. But
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, but sometime.
Oh, it's like a pakka plan?
Yeah.
Oh, next. Achha, I don't want to call us. Okay, fair.
No,
Sorry
you'll
about
be
that.
invited.
No, fuck it.
You'll
There's
be
so much to
guest
do
in
here.
honor.
We have work to do here.
We will do sex talk on the wedding. At the wedding venue, we'll do
With your-
podcast
both
setting.
your sets of
We'll
parents
do
and
podcast.
grandparents and-
They can-
Cyrus will
I
bring
think
the
we should
milk
be
to
sex
your
talk.
room.
No.
Cyrus,
Oh my
a
God.
protein shake in it, badam.
I'm telling you right now.
Protein shake in it. So
On the Suhagrat, when you are alone with your Ayush,
Yeah.
there will be a Bengali accent. Room sabas. So
I'll
room
put
sabas.
Amazon
What is that? That's your Bengali accent.
Room sabas.
Whoop some ass is the
Rasgulla.
worst advice to
And
give.
hey, let's do all the sections of Rasgulla.
The hand action was very
wrong.
unnecessary.
I just think that whoop some
How do you-
ass is
how do you
a
present
terrible
Rasgulla?
thought, yeah.
Stop this.
How do you present Rasgulla? What are you
Don't
supposed to do?
present it.
Rasgulla.
Oh my
What are the
God.
options? or make it into like an aarti. Rasgulla. What are we doing?
Why is there an Aarti during the Suhagra?
I don't know. Some people like that whole sense of
Is
spirituality
Suhagra
and all
the
that.
thing? What? When y'all got married, there was a Suhagra.
We had a morning wedding at South Indian.
Suhagrat means they haven't mated,
They've not
right?
banged, yeah.
Today's
It's
couples
mated,
have
so
mated
sweet.
already.
Yeah.
What's the big deal about mating on a
No,
Suhagrat?
what?
I have never.
Oh, no.
Never.
Correct. You.
I'm like Salman, virgin. I am like
Hey,
the
Chutia,
pina colada.
You've been married.
drink.
You've been married 12 years. You still haven't mated.
No.
You haven't. Okay, then take a plastic bag and release yourself at least. Otherwise, you're going to go
Not
mad
here.
like this.
Don't do it here.
No, you do it here. It's under the table.
I'm sitting next to him.
Yeah.
Go this way and do
Go
it.
sit there.
Your right hand.
I don't know what releasing
Your right-
myself
your
first
right
of all
hander-
is.
are you right-hander,
What the hell is
left-hander,
releasing?
right-hander?
Ambidextrous.
Oh shit, that big.
Oh, both.
That means
Go
neither.
behind the
no?
plant.
No hand.
Wow, what a talent, yaar.
It does.
Bajao, Siddhar.
It's like those
Level,
magic.
level.
Hey, that's called prostitution, huh?
I
With
sound
no
like-
hand, somebody else comes.
If somebody else comes, you're not gratified only. Yeah, by the end
Good
of
one.
it.
So
Come back.
Suhagrat alone will be quite the thing, no?
Yeah.
Like she doesn't turn up.
She ran away. Yeah.
Should have ghosted at your.
Have you understand why they put the petals on the bed though?
It's very creepy.
And it's
they
not
put
Indian,
this
huh? It's all over the
swan-
world, by the way.
Yeah,
They-
yeah.
So
Our friends did some messed up shit. You know, they decorate the room and all. So my friends.
this is your wedding.
At our wedding.
Where was it? Give us
and
full
my wedding,
details.
We were
Delhi, no?
staying at this hotel in Delhi called the Diplomat.
I've been there.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
that was right. We used to live very close to that. So after the wedding, we were.
So they put the stuff on the
They
bed.
came, they went to decorate the room,
Ah.
but my friends have put like these weird, creepy wax statues in the room, covered them with paper bags, taken like all religious scriptures, all.
Shadus, why?
And they've highlighted like these really messed up, like not messed up, but really weird, problematic portions of
okay,
them.
okay.
And like left them on the bed, and you're just reading stuff from like different, like you know, the Gita and the Bible and like the Quran.
Where
and
it basically says don't have sex.
Basically.
yeah, like messed up stuff which we
yeah.
couldn't comprehend, and it was really, really scary.
This is very like a horror story.
It
in the
was a
making.
horror story. It
Yeah,
was-
this
it
is
felt-
Much work
Ragini
done by-
MMS
the
kind.
friends must really like him to do so much.
Like,
yeah.
I think they hate him.
Or trying to
They're
say-
like, don't have sex.
No, maybe it was her friends to save her.
No, it was my cousins and friends. I know the people. There's Pranay, Manik, Pallavi, and my cousin Mickey Bhaiya. 4 of them went.
You have a
and-
cousin called Mickey Bhaiya?
I like it.
Yeah.
Is
I
he,
like it.
Is he a gangster?
No, he's
Mickey Bhaiya.
he works as a banker in New York.
Oh.
What kind of guy? Banker in New York called Mickey? What's
Mikey,
happened to- What have we
Mikey.
done? What
He
have we
doesn't
done?
go by- he doesn't
the
go
West
by
was doing
Mickey,
so
yeah. I
well.
call him
The
Mickey
West was
Bhaiya.
fine. Then Mickey Bhaiya went
Mickey
there.
Bhaiya
And now
went
he's the head of Jardine Fleming or something. He's a fucking the biggest guy in
Goldman
corporate
Sachs.
America. And they have to say,
Why did you say Goldman Sachs right now? And then you just said Sachs later. like,
hey, she's getting married, yeah.
Goldman Sachs.
I'm telling you, Shadunu brings out the worst in my
Goldman
personality.
Sachs is what she said.
It's a tough word. I accept
It's
that.
tough, no?
You go with a word that's
Sax.
common in your head. Yeah.
Yeah.
For us, sax is not common, so I would say, you know, what I mean, so we won't use it, but whatever, you know, I mean,
Thanks
who's,
for rescuing me.
yeah.
Thanks, yeah.
By the way, do you want to do the questions or just will do this banter is also good?
All good with us.
Whatever you all
We're
want to
free
do.
From a
flowing.
safety
What is he
POV.
drinking? I just gave him diet.
He
Coke.
bought coffee.
He got his own.
Yeah.
Now this
He's
guy.
a very high maintenance
No,
dude, huh?
no, you don't know. This Sharam ki baat hai. Someone has to expose him.
Sorry.
He's here third or fourth time and initially took our coffee. Second time bhi ho gaya, third time bhi ho gaya. And now he said enough. He brought a bottle with a straw, like an 8-year-old child, and he brought it here. And now it's been because we wanted our branding, so we put it inside this cup.
Shantanu's are no Stanley Cup dudes. Like, he'll buy something that
Did you
costs
say
50.
Pansy cup?
Stanley Cup. Stanley Cup.
Fancy
Stanley Cup.
cup is what it is.
Bro, why did you reject our coffee?
Yeah.
It hurts my catering,
Not
guys.
cool.
The only good part of IVM is our catering. And you screwed it up.
Muthuswamy caterer.
No, Suresh. Muthuswamy can't afford. Have you seen us?
You get Muthuswamy, then I'll have.
No, we got
Anything-
Suresh. Suresh comes, kya hai?
He himself. Mr.
Coffee.
Menon. Mr. Menon is coming.
He's above Suresh Menon. This is another Suresh. The father of Suresh.
Father Oberoi.
Above him.
Very good.
Above him.
Senior
Very good.
Above Oberoi.
By the way,
Very good.
my character in Jalwa is Suresh also.
You're the, yeah.
Because they thought, let's have a name close to your name.
You don't look like a Suresh at all.
What to do?
Bad.
I don't look like
You
a
see,
Suresh.
You're so not
he's
a
so
Suresh.
cute in Jalwa. Putna here, that young,
And
young boy.
where I come from, it won't be Suresh, it'll be Suresh.
When
they
he
can't
was
say
a young-
sure.
When he was a child artist, he
Suresh.
was very cute. He had a Kahona Pyare Hrithik Roshan younger brother energy.
Cyrus is still
You know, like that little, you know the boy in Kahona Pyare?
Yeah, the thing, the
Who craves
robot.
the
The
sweet
robot.
release of death.
What's a robot?
Not a robot. What?
Does he have that movie?
This
where-
is not a
with the
robot.
E.T.
Alien.
Alien. What is
Robot
it?
to alien.
Alien robot. What is
Jadoo,
it?
yaar. कोई मिल गया.
What a simple word. Sorry.
Totally different movie we are talking
Robot
about.
alien.
I mean, they marketed that film.
No,
They pushed it
original
down your
one was
throat.
Kaho Na
It was
Pyare,
so
guys.
simple.
Tum kahan ko-
Kaho Na Pyare, I remember. I saw the movie.
Two
What
of
about
them,
Remember
na?
that
Yeah,
step? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you saw it. You would
Yeah.
have done.
And,
liked
and we
Amisha
interviewed
Patel,
Amisha
what Cyrus?
very much from my school.
And
And-
Amisha is your
She
neighbor.
was head girl.
yeah,
She
she.
spoke about
Gold,
this a lot.
gold medal in economics.
No,
Yeah,
she
she
was.
spoke.
Granddaughter
Went to
of
Boston.
barrister
Correct, all that.
Rajni Patel.
Rajni Patel,
Bakul and
Congress.
Rajni
No, right,
Patel.
you're spot on.
But famously known as
Cuff
Ashmit
Castle
Patel's
building.
Ashmit Patel's sister is her biggest achievement.
When I moved to Bombay, I stayed in Cuff Castle for a bit.
Really?
And right across
Fancy,
there,
fancy.
very close to where their flat
Yeah.
was. Only
Yeah.
because there was a
But,
government guest house.
listen, we interviewed Amisha and Ritik before the film released.
Oh damn.
Yeah.
If you'd spoken to Ashmit, then I
So
would
that
have
time,
been
the
proud.
respect they gave me. After the film release, they never took the call.
You work out with Ashmit? Have you ever worked
Yes, he has worked out.
Oh
with me.
nice. You know he had
Yeah.
a really fun show.
But
called-
he does more cardio and all now.
Oh,
So,
why are you making that face?
I hate cardio people.
Oh.
Although he's quite well built, but yeah.
You hate
You
cardio?
don't do
Cycles
cardio.
and-
You don't do cardio.
You should never do cardio.
What
Never.
thing?
Never. I like cardio. I play
Pointless.
pickle,
Pointless.
tennis.
Pointless.
Give me also fitness.
You're fit. What do you want?
Advice.
I mean, I
Give
don't know
her-
what you
give
really
advice.
look like. You
Give
can't,
advice, no, but-
I have to see properly.
I
I
don't
can't.
know.
I'm a scientist.
I also want fitness
As
guidance.
a physics scientist,
he
मेरे
just
को
told me
देखना
not to
पड़ेगा,
do
मेरे को
it.
देखने का, doctor के जगह देखने का, I can- how do I make a decision? No, Shantanu, luckily we don't have to see.
You see?
Some
You can just
doctors are
tell my
biased.
body.
Some doctors, I mean, bro, you're good. Keep it on, keep it on.
Alright, yeah.
Keep it on. I know.
Someone else.
Bornvita twice a day.
That's also Koi Mil Gaya reference. In Koi Mil Gaya, he drinks a lot of Bonvita.
Yeah, but
Bonvita,
Shantanu.
you're forgetting.
That's how we do
Is
it.
there anything that you can
Bonvita.
make not offensive? What are the
Bonvita
safe
Vita. I love Bonvita. Ah.
I take it this is
No, it
Ritik.
was a good performance. It was a good performance.
What?
Koi
Ritik?
Mil Gaya.
So, yeah.
The
No,
alien
him or
movie.
Ritik?
Him also.
Him as Ritik.
in Koi
Yeah.
Mil
Yeah,
Gaya.
I
It's a
think
good
I could.
performance.
Yeah, I could.
Yeah,
do
yeah.
it.
Show your abs.
I have six.
I don't think he was that ripped and all then. I can't remember.
He
now.
was. He was
He
He
was?
was ripped. He was ripped.
Yeah.
Pehla picture mein?
Yeah,
He
yeah.
was?
In
He
the
didn't
second
show
half
bod.
of Koi Mil Gaya, of course, in the second half of
No,
Koi Mil
no.
Gaya, he's the reformed Ritik and he's like.
But he never shows bod.
Guys in songs.
She'll know better than us. Now she remembers her
Yeah.
thing.
I
We were
was-
focusing on Amisha. I understand that we had our own problems.
I was not
That's called
looking at
market.
Amisha is not in Koi Mil Gaya. It's Preeti Zinta.
Oh shit, we
Zinta,
moved
Preeti
movies?
Zinta.
So somebody
These
tell the
are
old
two
man.
different movies.
Somebody tell the old man you move movies. Just move movies like that. Yeah.
Rajat
You were
Bedi
in
is who I was
Castle.
looking at. I have the hots for Rajat
He was a
Bedi.
model, famous model.
You know
before.
who he is?
Of course.
You know him?
All these names from the 90s I remember.
Oh.
Then I start struggling. Now, off late, the influencers, I really struggle here. I just say yes.
Do you know any influencer?
I do.
Like name your favorite
Name
influencer. Favorite influencer.
Saiba.
Oh.
Ah, good one.
Is she an influencer?
Guess that he
Solid
has got.
politics.
Guess that he
All
has
the girls who come help me.
Help me.
That's not allowed.
Help me.
That's not allowed, Cyrus.
Just the sight of someone going, help me.
Sufi, the girl who did the Bakra.
Who's Sufi?
Sufi,
Sufi,
yeah.
yeah. Sufi, okay,
Moti
good.
Bala.
Parul Gulati. Parul Gulati.
PG.
Very nice, PG.
Very successful.
Did you have and two things, like, which is great. I love
Malkin,
people like
Malkin.
that.
I like
Yeah, yeah.
Parul Gulati.
No, anyone who's good at more than one thing, I mean, they're special people. There's no doubt.
And such
Hey, stop
perseverance.
saying that with such lust and all that.
There was
You're married.
Thankfully, this
I'll
is
say
recorded.
with lust, Parul Gulati.
Yeah,
You
much
say,
better.
thank you. You have a few months left before you can
yeah.
be lustful
You-
on camera.
you'll be able to take
I
a-
said no lust. They saw this was recorded. Zero lust.
Akanksha, you'll take her in a fight? I think
Parul,
I'll do a series
good
of girls
question.
fighting on the show.
I feel like I have height advantage.
What Vince McMahon type idea is
I thought it
this?
would be
you
good.
know?
I
think I could take
Like,
Parul.
Get two influencers,
I could be
female,
Parul.
and occasional male also, but mostly female. But some of the males anyway, what difference? And
Yeah. I could take some
worst idea.
male influencers down also.
You could?
I feel like I could.
Come on, let's do
You could-
Panja.
No, don't make me cry. Look at those muscles you're telling me
Wait,
to
wait,
Panja.
it's all
I
wrist
lost
work.
Panja with Shantanu once.
Shantanu.
I lost.
What is this?
But I gave a good fight. Huh? You have to.
That's as much as I'll punch out with you.
That's
Forget
so
that.
sweet.
His eyes were the most loving eyes I've ever seen in a
That's
serious
not-
competition.
My panja is not.
Yeah.
It's very sweet.
I want to hold your hand.
कह दो कि तुम मेरे दिल
You can't.
Oh, we
Can
can't
we sing?
sing. This much we can
They
sing.
sing Bollywood songs. I stopped him immediately. Otherwise, you'll drive me
Oh,
mad.
copyright or what?
Copyright.
Not
I'll
this
change
much.
it.
not
I'll
this
slow
No,
much.
you
it
can
down.
say the
Yeah,
lines.
yeah.
You can say the lines as much as you want. You cannot sing the song.
Shairi, do shairi.
I can say the lines of
Yeah.
a song, but
Do
not sing
shairi
it.
how shairi.
कह
Slater
दूं कि
Iqbal.
तुम मेरे
No.
दिल में रहोगे कुछ कुछ होता है
Why don't you go with like Chole ke piche kya hai? Then answer.
Chole.
छोले के पीछे क्या है भटूरा
Batata. Batata chola is also a thing, yeah. No? Sorry. You're so stupid.
Who
One
thinks
sec.
batata
One
छोले
sec.
is
Are you making a
concept?
sexual reference? Because uncle
That-
is catching on it.
That That he gets me.
I got
बोलने
it.
के पीछे
You didn't
butterfly
get
is
it.
not even sexual, yaar. What the hell? What
अरे,
is sexual?
but-
One second. It's
Oh.
her.
Why you stop being so londa? Akanksha, just
Shantanu ji,
calm your-
it's her fantasy.
But
her,
Tata-
whatever.
Yeah.
Like, she's presenting that. We can't argue with that. I picked it up immediately.
I-
I felt that you're not as ganda as we think you are.
I'm
Not at all.
definitely.
You're
at
not
all.
ganda
She's
enough
not
for this
at all.
show.
Please vouch for me. I'm not.
Yeah,
Nothing
he's
is
not ganda,
sexual.
he's not ganda.
Nothing.
Now,
You
my
say
inner
that to
Gujarati is
Kushil.
coming out. Santanu.
I am just a man who likes to do the accent. I'm a bad
Santanu.
accent guy.
This Caribbean, what is
Like, what the hell is this, yeah? This is what Borivali is.
Caribbean Bengali.
The Borivali East only this
Borivali
is.
East.
You-
Represent.
No, when you walk
Yeah.
out, like Puneet Pania, when you walk out, you get the accent because you've not got one inside. So you come out.
Puneet Panya, he also comes here. Okay, now that makes sense.
Puneet Pania comes here. He spends 45 minutes doing hair and makeup because he's sweating like a beast. Because no matter how successful he gets, he takes that train and walks all the way from the station.
You
in
don't
the
take train?
heat. In Switzerland, yes. oh, we have to take a break.
We've done half an hour without anything. We've done half an hour with no questions.
And I'm thinking that that title is so not apt for us, Koi Mil Gaya, because we found nothing.
Nothing.
हाँ, कुछ नहीं मिला.
Really. I mean, please get the right guests for the right show. These are cine experts. Okay, when you want to talk about cinema, we call them. When you want to talk about life in
You're
general.
saying now only go on Karan and Shrimi.
No, no.
Last
Boss,
time.
I got Rahul Bose on Friday. We'll discuss things.
Oh, you can discuss a lot.
Bengali men
Now
know
Bengali.
us,
He has a great Bengali accent.
but
Of course he
Bengali
does.
He's
men
not doing an accent.
No. He's got some great stories. Oh, we're taking a break.
Which was that match where you literally flew into the stumps?
What do you mean, which was that match? It was the match, the only game that launched my career.
There are two main arms of the Indian system. In military, we have the infantry and cavalry and all of those things.
Did you say cavalry?
I did.
How old are you?
Well, not as old as you are. Lots to come on
Yeah.
Jaunty on the Dock Season 1.
Can't wait. And please, don't change the shirt.
No, I'm not going to.
Okay, that's great.
I promise. For the entire series,
Sounds-
I'm going to wear the same shirt.
Shirt.
Chalo, we're back
No, I'm
here.
with you. I'll always
We're
be
back
back.
here. Our cameraman has left the building. Fair enough. He couldn't handle it anymore. Any references that are made by guests are made by guests. I toe the line. I love the country and the government. And I also
Oh.
love the Commonwealth Games.
Interesting.
I just put that in there because we are applying
You're a
for
Kalmadi fan.
Commonwealth Games. Well, yes. I still have the toilet paper. Because it was so expensive, I kept it. Because like a vintage car, it'll get better and better, no?
The expensive toilet paper that
It's
you
2,000 rupees a roll.
What?
bought.
Now, normally after you finish, it becomes 2,000 rupees a roll. But yeah, chalo, theek hai.
Some
Let's-
dynastic assets.
Oh, glasses. Oh, there? Oh, okay, first cock and bull, then this extra stuff. Okay, done. Oh, you can read it? Okay.
Yeah,
What
I
a
can
cheater,
see.
huh? You
Yeah.
didn't even bother to
I'm
cover the
that
cheating.
person, yeah,
You
yeah.
straight away cheating.
He's doing rapid fire and all now.
Yeah.
What?
Scary,
This is
scary.
Akanksha's idea. I'm too lazy here.
Guys, I
They
can put
work.
my leg. Does it show?
You can put your leg on your head also. As a yoga show.
Only in front of Ayush.
No. Only in front of Ayush.
Can you? Oh.
Ayush's parents
Oh,
also
God.
watch
This
the
is
show.
recording?
Auntie.
One second.
आपकी होने वाली बहू, आपके-
नहीं, सुन. So you're saying, even if it's a sexual pose, your leg goes over your head. Not like
Never.
lying
What are you
back like
talking
that.
about? I never
Like
said
you put
that.
it over your head.
I never said that.
Both of you really, let's like talk about cock
I
and bull
think
now.
yoga
You're
has a
worried?
lot of
I'm worried. You guys are too. This is too much for me.
yoga has
So
benefits.
your problem is no more sexual banter, but we'll abuse everything from gods
Yeah,
to
yeah,
okay,
yeah.
fair
I
enough.
never abused a
Never.
god.
No, doesn't matter.
At least you let it that out.
End of the day, we have to live in Scandinavia, three of us. So you have to
That's
figure out
true,
the
that's
job.
true,
That's
that's
all.
true.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
simple. Na? Sweden, we can say all this.
We can.
Scandinavia sounds like a reality show that Paps make, no?
Don't fight with them now. We have no other place to go to, bhai.
They won't understand what you're saying.
Yeah.
You think Manav Manglani cares about me?
Otherwise, we go to East Acton, London. I have a cousin there. Okay?
Yeah, we'll do that.
Chalo. Cockroach at the party stage the protest demanding the resignation of the Lord of the public. 70. But this is,
Suresh Menon in the
we are
house.
shooting this 2 days after it happened.
Yeah,
Yeah.
2-3 days, yeah.
So by the time you air this, he should have resigned, Mr. Pradhan.
But this has been going on since so long, yeah. They've been asking for his
No,
resignation.
they've given this as a 1-point agenda. That's it. Which means what do they do after that? But I'm quite surprised that they were allowed to hold the rally and all that, because I thought the government is a little scared of them.
Jantar Mantar may typically you're allowed to hold rallies because
Haan.
it's a little lane.
They can control that area.
There's a
They did for
lane,
the
yeah.
dog
You
protest
can't
also.
go anywhere outside of that lane in Jantar
And they control
Mantar.
you there.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
he got so much support in terms of
It's
media.
amazing.
Yeah.
I felt very, very energized when I saw this
I
because
heard
I've been tired.
Shantanu is also a card-carrying member of the CJP.
Oh.
Yeah.
BJP, yeah.
And you're in both parties at the moment, 140 in... can you...
We're
be a
for the
member of
country.
both parties? Of two parties?
Party
think
hopping.
I mean,
Raghav Chadda for a week.
We'll ask him.
Shiv Sena you can.
Shiv Sena, yeah, because they are intrinsically about.
What's the big deal? Card to ek hi hai.
Yeah.
Okay, boys, girls.
Yeah, good, very good.
But is it just Dharmendra Pradhan who's responsible for the NEET leak? I
But
guess
someone has to
in
take
Korea
the-
this happens where the big boss will resign and all
Yeah.
that.
Accountability.
That accountability is the person who's elected only.
You think?
Yeah.
But you can't control. It's a little. I'm not taking a side for
Huh.
God's sake.
Do you know
no.
what he studied?
That's not the point, bro.
Do you know where he
Then
The
studied?
point is this is organized cheating, which doesn't necessarily mean that he's fully organized from his side. It's not to do with him.
He was a
But he's
student.
overlooking the department that has to ensure that
So
things
negligence
happen.
is the best we can provide here. So
Sure.
you think he should resign?
I think it's okay to say. It's active negligence and someone needs to take accountability for it. It's not ignorance, it's active negligence. So you should take accountability.
Women are more fierce than us. You have no interest. I see
I
your
have,
face.
I have a lot of interest.
You don't want to say anything. And you come from an educated background. Both your parents are very well educated.
Same.
Yeah. But she has proven of credentials.
She's a master's in sociology. No,
Yeah.
I'm from film school.
Yeah.
When they make the biopic,
Yeah.
I think
Who
Gajraj
should
Rao sir
play?
should
You're
play
still upset with the
Dharmendra Pradhan.
CJP emblem. You feel the cockroach is not shown enough.
I'm like 10% they could have dialed. The graphic designer did fail
If a
them.
CJP movie is made, who'll do the item number?
Oh.
Nora.
No, now I think someone else.
She's in the bad books?
Now someone else should come.
No, Jacqueline Fernandez, because they're always after her.
You said
That's
her,
so
you
true.
said her name weird, but yeah.
You said
How do you say her name?
interestingly.
Jacqueline.
Jacqueline.
How do you say her name?
Like Jacqueline.
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 Yeah.
The way
Did you say Jacques Scallop?
you said it almost in this gay fashion. Jacqueline.
This is, what about a head nod? Has established
Nothing was gay about
nothing,
this, yeah.
nothing.
Jacqueline's got a sister called Gillian.
What?
What?
Huh?
Jacqueline and Gillian went
What?
up.
I'm hetero
The
now.
Helene.
This-
I
I'm gonna give you hetero
I
behavior
want to
lessons.
enter Cyrus's brain for 5
Akansha, see,
minutes. It's
sometimes it takes
amazing.
time to understand what you're thinking now.
It's beautiful.
Okay.
Okay, I'm bored now.
Oh, what? Guys,
After
one
one,
sec.
one-
Wait, Akansha wants
Be
to start a
energized,
revolution.
yeah.
Kranti Veer!
Yes.
Uh.
Be energized by this. We
Kranti
can't be
Veer
so...
No, I'm very energized.
Yeah.
I think the right to
I love it.
to free speech.
Protest.
No,
Yeah.
free speech. Protest comes with
Yeah.
free speech,
Yeah.
and the idea was when the remark was made, it was beautiful piece of satire with the way it came
Yeah,
out,
yeah.
and all over the world people are watching us now. And the government has to be a little careful that they don't look fascist.
Yeah.
If they, because what are you doing? It's just being funny.
all
But
about
now
it.
the first demand has happened. Then you have 22 million followers, etc., which is a little scary. Which means you can have a young Yuva revolution in a few
Online.
years. No, but it
In
may
person, but
translate.
also
You never
so
know.
much
If you
online.
guys and guys younger than you turn
Yeah.
up, they can change the whole
And
country in
people are
5
turning
minutes.
up, and they appropriated
Yeah.
and took on the word cockroach, which is great. They're
Yeah.
not fighting against it. Like,
Yeah, which is my word because my name rhymes with it. Broach the cockroach. So it should be Broach the cockroach Janata Party. That should
Yeah.
be the full form.
You should be the face.
50% equity mere ko
Would you
dena.
be the face of CJP?
I would be the side profile.
Would
So
you?
that like I would be like more like Rajendra Kumar, those
Yogendra
Manoj Kumar.
Manoj Kumar. Yeah. So you don't. I believe it was for dubbing. A lot of it is for dubbing, right? Kunal used to do it also. Kunal would like to put food in so that he can not say the lines. So instead of saying the lines, you just go because you dub it later, no? So if you do this also, you don't have to say the lines, no? Properly.
Oh, you don't need to learn
You
your
remember,
lines.
yeah, forget
You
it.
really think Manoj
ABCD.
Kumar chose that as an acting choice?
That's a very interesting take.
Bro, अगर मैं बहुत दारू पिया इस रात को, I'm not feeling well. I don't look at some 12 lines and learn it, which make no sense.
He
to
was
me.
doing these like Deshbhakti movies.
Yeah, whatever.
Things like-
So you know,
The people do mumble ko, na? Like I've heard Bhai
how-
just zyada.
you think everything is just Jai Kisan, Jai Jawan. It's much more than that.
Should
No,
we
they
try and
give
do a
20 lines.
30-second bit of this podcast, which we dub over?
Yeah.
Right now, 30
Yeah,
seconds
yeah,
we'll talk,
yeah,
and then
yeah.
we'll try and double
No,
over.
so you don't talk. You go like. So now what we do is, I'll do it and you talk. Okay? Now you see, we'll do it properly.
Oh, he was
for
doing
about
that.
10
That's how
seconds.
we're
You all are doing improv.
Yeah,
right?
ready and go.
Yeah, no, Cyrus, that's my mother you're talking about. And Akansha, just please.
Start again, because if you're going to be agitated, then you have to tell me before.
He's being subtle and
I was
chill.
doing, yeah.
Akansha, what tone would you like to keep? for
Whatever
this
you
one?
want, tell me, because I'm just mumbling you
But
truth.
you adapt, you adapt to his.
Oh,
thing.
okay, I adapt
you
to his.
also change.
Okay, then my body language has
Yeah,
changed.
yeah,
Like I got
yeah.
a shock in the middle.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah,
I started with the news is chai piyega. That's my level, and he's got into Teri maa ki! And
Correct.
No, definitely
Find a
not.
middle path. Find a middle path.
Yeah, Mark, you not what I said. Okay, fine, yeah.
This is a golden option. You can say anything.
And go.
Okay. What? No, that's not true. Cyrus, come on. You're better than this, Cyrus. Hey, I'll delete those photos. But some of the things that you said, what do you mean you were hopped up on protein
Chutya, I'm
shakes?
saying this. You're talking for me, not to me. You're doing a dialogue, you
It's
idiot.
internal.
I forgot what's happening.
It's
We
internal.
were having a conversation.
You're dubbing me,
and they would dub
my
his
character.
conversation.
You're
I'm saying
talking
you.
to
Now
me.
I've understood the
Yes.
assignment. Let's go.
So now
We can't do a third
I'll
time.
make it easy.
We can't do a third time.
Akansha, this time you dub.
Akansha will be
And
the dialogue.
Akansha, you be dialogue.
No, you can give dialogue back. So you be the. So I'm talking to her. Now you start.
Okay,
Whatever
fine.
you want. Huh?
Yeah. I just.
I love Kunal so
Kamra,
much.
right? I
He's
love Kamra.
Yeah, he's just so incredibly talented. He's just so much better than me.
Yeah, but you know the thing, Akanksha, is that I love his body. I am obsessed with Kamra's bod. I, in fact, bought a Camry because it's a car that sounds like his name. And now he sits in the back seat of that car with me.
Is that you
And
doing an
we
impersonation?
Eat our Bengali. Sorry. It's been...
My character actor has gone berserk. He's changing accents.
And why is he
and the-
slow-mo?
Yeah, slow-mo.
Yeah.
The delivery style became like.
I had to mess with you so that you're dubbing. I want to see how
it
quickly
looked like
you adjust
it
to-
looked like you were rewinding. I'm
Yeah, there
doing,
was
I'm
slow-mo
doing,
But like your lip movement didn't change. I just want to just in the comments.
You
let
can't
us
see
know
my
how
lip
it-
movement. My hand is covering. It's an art form. For those who don't want to work, we have given you this gift.
But Akshay Kumar does something better, I've heard. He like puts placards
Yeah.
and stuff.
He's not
on
the
his
only one. Huh?
property.
He's not the
Oh,
only
other
one.
people
And abroad
do
also.
it.
Yeah. What do you think?
Name two more.
Huh? Clark Gable used to do it.
don't even know
Clark
who that is.
Gable is.
You do a cine show. You don't know who Clark
before,
Gable is.
Before Tata Sky and all came, how we
Driver,
used to get
गाड़ी लाओ
movies.
मेरे सबके लिए.
Spark, oh, that was Spark Cable.
Driver,
Sorry.
take her home. Hey idiot! Let's carry on.
Next
This is
one.
shouting at me.
Hey, idiot.
Too much. Too familiar.
He's always choosing the idiot.
But प्यार
Kerala
से.
man receives government job letter 21 years after exam, misses chance due to retirement.
Sanju
age.
Samson biopic.
You guys think he should get a pension or what?
Sanju Samson is young.
No,
Kerala. No, I think they have to pay him compensation.
pension I think they should give.
21 years they've not sent the letter.
It's
Yeah,
sick.
yeah. And it was vacant, that job, huh? For
Yeah.
18, 20 years.
Yeah,
I think
yeah,
there was
yeah,
no.
yeah.
They have to pay him the full 21 years compound interest plus marry him off. Because that would be
It
the
was an
period.
Arabic teacher job, no?
You know what's sad? They haven't even named him. It's just sad. Kerala man.
No, but the
It could be
account.
anybody.
That's his name.
Dharmendra
Kerala
Pradhan.
Man.
He's a
Punjabi hai.
superhero.
Dharmendra Pradhan, if you're watching, I know this is not in your purview completely, but since we are agitating, can you make sure he gets his 21 years ka dues?
Yeah,
Can
yeah.
Dharmendra
I
Pradhan
think
of
pension
Kerala also
he should-
retire? Resign.
Yeah. There should be a movie, na? Some
This is
12th
Gurdas
type
Man's
movie.
brother.
It's called redressal, bro.
Yeah.
You have to have some redressal.
Yeah.
What,
Which is when you
what do
want
we
to
have
change your
caught?
clothes
Good word,
because
good
you're badly
word.
dressed. I did a redressal
Red
because I
dress.
spilt.
Red dress.
Red
he
dress,
should wear.
I see your sensitivity.
Kerala, red.
When it's Bengal and
dress.
Bihar, you're very sensitive. When it's Kerala, there's no sensitivity
No,
whatsoever.
absolutely
I'm
for Kerala.
feeling a little like this guy's got issues, yeah. Yeah, this is not fair, bro.
She's my audience for Kerala comedy for some reason.
That's what's going on. This guy needs the money.
Yeah.
He deserves it.
I
Yeah,
agree.
they
I
should,
fully
but
agree.
there is
No,
a
I
chance.
want compound interest. You can't just pay him that salary.
Oh.
You have to compound it because
Account
with
for
arrears,
inflation
na,
and
all,
everything.
account
all
for
pay
everything.
commission
Yeah,
ka arrears and all will come.
bro,
Yeah.
we have experts to do that. Don't worry.
You know?
Yeah.
We come to the right figure.
Ankur Variku will tell us.
Yeah.
Finance with Sharan will
He's
sit
also,
and calculate.
Variku is also Kashmiri.
Yeah.
You all meet
Oh.
at
Yeah, all
parties
the
and all
time.
that.
There's
There's a candle. We light now. We put a flame.
And then
Put
do
a
you
flame under
all
that.
do the orgasm in Kashmiri?
No, we sing boom bro, boom bro. Candle on flame, boom bro, boom bro.
It's getting there, no? It's getting there.
Can I join? Can I join? This
Yeah,
sounds
you
fun.
can join.
You
Okay.
can't join. You're getting married to Ayush.
Not a
Who is not Kashmiri?
Pandit,
Who's Bihari, no?
unfortunately.
No, he's not Bihari.
What is Ayush?
What about Ayush?
Is he the health
Military?
department?
Calcutta.
He is Calcutta Marwari.
Marwari. You'll never see his money.
I'll never see his
No,
money,
no.
yeah.
You
But
want
it'll-
to, she
No,
makes
no.
so much money.
You make more
That's
money.
not true at
So
all.
much.
Yeah, she's got a full-time job. We forgot.
Yeah, she's not unemployed.
But yet on Monday in the middle of the day, she's here hanging around for 3 hours.
Don't say- No, I'll compensate. I'll work till 12 p. p.m.
But
AM.
you're
12
going
AM
back to
today.
the work job today?
Yeah, of course.
At what time will you go? Like 3, 4?
Yeah, but I'll work. I'll work till like 1 a.m., 2 a.m. today.
How? Don't they shut the office?
I work remotely, so I'm safe.
You work from home?
Yeah.
No, she fixes TV remote.
Tata Sky has hired me. yeah.
You see, I'm ignoring him.
Good one.
Pun is the lowest
Good
form
one.
of humor. He's
Very-
behaving like
all
Kunal
this
now.
red
He
dress
started
and
so well.
You're a comedy elitist now.
I
That's the card you're playing.
I don't believe in the pun.
If the pun is not his, it's not funny. Man, you
There's-
know what? I'm
there's no
scared
pun
I'm aging
in
into
the
you.
pun.
I will be you.
Someone Comeback, yes, said. Comeback today is my favorite.
And I separated the words.
It was very
Come
good. You explained.
But,
Yeah.
oh my god.
Very good.
I
very
missed
good,
this
very
the
good.
You
first
missed
time
it.
around.
You go on talking like a chutia.
Oh!
See, they're familiar now, so
The
they're
first
glad
comment
to-
that will come will be like, let the host speak, damn it. Let the host speak, damn it.
Next
Shantanu,
comment.
you bloody guest.
Next comment will be who's the host. Chalo, next.
Okay.
Vaibhav Suryavanshi gets selected in the Indian cricket team, becoming the youngest ever to do so.
Youngest, you have to scream. Youngest.
Youngest.
Then scabs.
That's
Yeah.
because Sachin, who was Shantanu's classmate, was 16 when he played for India
This guy's 14.
against Pakistan in 89 November. This guy's 15
Oh.
and his pop got angry, so it went off.
I'm watching news now, straight up.
But that's white ball, huh? So he may not make. They don't play him by next year. He'll be 16.
Okay.
So let's see what happens.
So then he's not the youngest.
He's the youngest to represent the country,
Today.
but in red ball, if he breaks the record, we'll see.
He'll
I think
break
they'll-
Polly
they'll-
Umrigers, he'll break.
He'll break the Umrigers Polly record.
But you know,
You're
these
right.
stories back to back are interesting, na? One is
What?
about this guy who didn't get a job for 21 years. This
And now
guy's
it's Vaibhav,
young, yeah.
who at 15 has
So
got a car he
different.
can't drive.
Such a different.
Imagine winning a
reality.
present you can't use. He's got a bride he can't touch. He's
Yeah.
got a car he can't drive. He's got land he
He
can't
has
take
a house
over.
he can't own.
He doesn't
can't
have a
own.
bride.
He could
They're
have.
lined up.
Can you marry?
After his first,
I mean, I'm sure now people would
there are
want to
women
go-
outside the
Rajasthan
house,
you
their
can.
parents with their daughters ka thing and all, biodata and everything.
Coming for him already?
Every
I'm
day
sure, yeah, I'm
he
sure.
called up saying, "Boss, can you help me?"
Are they older? The women.
Obviously,
Oh,
like
see, older. That's a,
Yeah,
he
yeah,
does
yeah, yeah.
this.
He becomes
Yes,
British.
Older.
Yeah,
What the fuck? We're talking about a miner's wedding.
Yeah, sorry,
the least
yes,
I can do is sound at least a little classy.
we are not worried about
Classy.
Vaibhav.
Classy. अच्छा,
Baba,
so
we are
Indian
not.
accent is
Vaibhav
not
is not the
classy.
worry.
हाँ ये बंदियों की उम्र क्या है
बाबा,
जिनसे शादी कराने की
Listen,
बातें हो रही है
Vaibhav is fine. Vaibhavi is the problem. We just want to be careful.
Sure.
Vaibhavi merchant.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I don't know
He's
inside
the
information.
youngest ever to do choreography.
Okay, anyways, are you all interested in cricket?
Yeah, I am. So is she.
So what's your view on the 15-year-old? He'll play against Ireland now in about
She's
3
Mayanti
weeks.
Langer. You know Mayanti
I don't
Langer?
even know. I've told you. I'm
Justin
I know
Langer's
nothing.
No. Do you know Mayanti Langer?
No.
Stuart Binney.
Stuart Binney's wife. Yeah, well done. You went for the wedding?
Huh?
Bolo na.
I want to say I'm very happy for him. I think it's setting
You're a
good
proud
precedents.
parent.
I am a proud parent.
Yeah.
I could be a parent. who's
You could be a
15,
parent.
Sure.
You
Yeah,
could
if
be
I had a child when I was
legally
15.
When you were 18.
18.
He's 15.
Correct,
yeah.
correct.
You can't do maths
That's
and you
very
work
quick
long
maths.
hours for MNC.
Yeah. I suck at
15
maths.
and
I get
18.
nervous. I start sweating and stuff.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I'll also need makeup, hair,
My
makeup
God.
for 30 minutes.
Wow.
Yeah.
We just have a fat issue, not for the sweat.
I'm not
We,
fat.
as in me. You've lost a lot of weight. Every time he
Yeah.
comes in, he's 10 kilos lighter.
It's amazing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
From the first, like this is what my before and after.
And then
is.
I love
he
it.
kill out me. You kill out me. What chicken? Something in a wrap. which is-
Gluten-free chicken
Gobble
wrap.
right wraps, almond flour and beetroot flour used to make 99 calorie tortillas in which I put chicken. Archana Didi, thank you.
You call your wife Archana Didi?
Oh, our cook.
Our cook.
Our cook.
How
Yeah.
elitist is he?
Yeah.
I tell you.
You can't call someone a cook?
You can.
Bawarchi! So respect.
Babarshi's actually got a lot of.
It used to have a nice.
gravitas. I like
It used to, but
I
now
like
no. Now no. And we used to use it in Maharaj.
Maharaj.
Yeah, which I don't like either. Because it sounds like a great name, but you're giving him a very, treatment and pay is not.
Colonial,
Yeah.
pre-colonial
So
title.
no, it's satire. No, Maharaj!
Hey, pani la.
Yeah, I mean, it's
It's
not.
like how
Yeah.
assholes in Bombay,
Yeah.
South Bombay types use the word boss when they really are talking down to you. Hey, boss, relax.
Yeah,
and all that.
No. Boss is just simply the safest word to use when you don't have the name.
You can't even say bhaiya na here.
You can't say bhaiya.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Bhaiya is a kinder way to refer to
No, but
someone.
it
But
starts
here
going
it's
into.
problematic.
It might be an issue, no? Because
That's okay. Let them think that you're from Bihar. Like, what is the implication of Bhaiya?
What do you
that
say?
we think
What
you're
do
from
you
UP or Bihar.
and
Yeah,
that you're my
yeah.
brother.
That is
That's
what's
the
hurting
bigger
them. They don't
inside.
want to be UP. Shantanu का भाई नहीं होना है.
नहीं
Lucknow
साउथ
का-
बॉम्बे में प्रॉपर्टी डिस्प्यूट बहुत है भाई so you don't want another brother for
Correct,
God's sake
correct.
भैया
Correct.
हाँ वो मेरा फ्लैट है भैंचो no
that derelict building at the corner of every street,
Yeah.
which is a court
Yeah.
sub judice matter.
but even that is worth something bro
Of
Yeah.
course,
They have to pay you when they break the building.
Of
You
course.
get some money out of it.
Yeah, no?
Yeah. I hope you have some property there.
In
South
South
Bombay
Bombay?
also you have.
Nothing.
Where's your-
Also,
Where's your family home?
my
Buckingham.
Yeah. The Buckingham of Andhra Pradesh.
So
Nellore.
Telangana and Kashmir, both your houses.
Asim Andhra, not Telangana.
Okay. So you got some.
Kashmir, we had a home.
Okay, boss. Really?
Yeah.
Gone?
We had a home, of course.
Taken over.
Yeah.
So you can't get it
I
back.
went and visited. We went and met the family.
Where's Baramulla?
No, Habba Kadal. It's like in Srinagar. We went
Proper
and saw the
Srinagar?
house. Yeah, we had a
And they
home.
took it over.
Obviously, na, they were taken
But
over.
why can't you
na,
get it
the
back
people there-
now?
What kind of... This is a very heavy political question that you're
Well,
asking. Why
political.
can a
He's
Kashmiri...
asking sweetly only.
How will
why-
a Kashmiri Pandit family go and
So
claim
that
a
was in
home that
89 or whatever.
But you can't go take it. No, someone else lives there. That home doesn't
Who lives
belong
there?
to you.
The
Not
terrorists took it, no?
family, not...
Who took the flat?
I
The-
think
the-
eventually they redistributed.
Something has
Yeah.
happened. Yeah, we went and met the family. They offered us chai or kebab and all over there.
So
when we
sweet.
went and
They
met.
kept the flat and offered you chai.
It's probably
You're a
not the
business-
same family, no.
He's not a Mumbaiker. What kind of business mind is this?
If it were a good Jew.
It's sir, FSI is possible and it's 10,000 rupees a square foot. हाँ, chai pila do.
Hey, soon Adani will own all of Srinagar.
Yeah,
And then
yeah.
it'll be fine. You'll have high rises everywhere.
It'll be
Say,
great.
But you
Valley
can't,
View apartments.
but why can't you get the place back? You have
Kashmir,
the
the
paper.
loft.
Baba, you have the papers and all, no?
I
the
don't
house?
know. I don't know. My grandparents probably did.
So you can't reclaim it?
I know. I don't.
I don't want to use Ghar Wapasi because that causes all kinds of connotations, but
What?
you can't claim the
No,
house.
I think we should go to the next topic.
Vaibhav Suryavanshi is such a young talented
Vaibhav can buy him a
cricketer.
house.
That's true. He can buy me a house since I'm his mom apparently.
Yeah,
So
Not
apparently.
Vaibhav Suryavanshi mother.
he can buy me a house.
You have to. she's
And I'm
not-
the
Oh, this
only
is a big
who-
one. Huh? This is a big
Very
one.
good, yeah.
Israel's Consul General to Mumbai,
Yeah.
Yaniv Rivaj. I'm probably fucking up all the names.
Revaj.
Rivaj.
No, you
said
just
Israel is
say it with a
planning-
Yiddish accent.
Okay.
Yaniv Rivash said Israel is planning to install a statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in one of its major cities, which will be Tel Aviv.
Sure, yeah.
I presume.
What other city? Yeah.
Okay. So there's a lot of brethren spirit between Israel and
Brotherhood,
India.
for sure,
Brotherhood.
yeah.
And so I guess this possibly would be a true story, but Shantanu is the expert on Middle East.
Yeah, he is.
He knows
And-
everything, although he doesn't have a home.
He could have.
He could have, and he's not
Israel
willing to
also,
fight
he
for
could
it.
have a house
Yeah.
in Israel also.
Danube property.
Yeah.
But you'll know if Indians start settling in Israel, na? Because suddenly the names will be like Ben Hur community and Jinihar, and then suddenly then there'll be a Poonam Deluxe.
Yeah.
Suddenly in the middle
Yeah,
there,
yeah. Lakshmi
Sagar
Vilas.
Darshan.
Sagar Darshan, we've reached. And in Devanagari it'll be written Toop
Yeah.
Marna.
Nothing funny about this.
Nothing funny.
Nothing funny.
Interesting-ish. Like just,
No, this is pure politics, Baba.
yeah.
It's pure
Yeah,
politics.
interesting.
Yeah. I like this other story better about how he met his wife, Aparna Didi.
Archana.
Archana Didi.
Archana Didi is my wife is Shreya.
Shreya's the wife.
Archana Didi is she's the
Okay, one
person
thing. When you
who
say
runs
cook,
our-
this is a lady you pay money to do cook.
Yeah,
Yeah.
correct.
There's no relation with this person.
The relationship
It's
is of
money,
that.
money,
that
money.
we-
Why Didi? Why are you calling
No,
her?
you're
Oh, why I
right.
call her Didi?
Yeah.
Yeah, because she's a couple of years older than I am.
Is she older? Shantanu, is she older? Be honest.
Yeah,
You know, sometimes actually it's
Yeah.
funny because
She's
Yeah.
2 years older.
Because
Yeah,
my
I don't
house,
call
that
her-
the lady who works for us calls me Baba, and she's 11 years younger than me.
That's what it
And it's
happens.
so embarrassing. He calls Kunal Baba, and he's 22 years older than her. I mean, you should be saying Dada, or Baba.
No, but like in a Sanjay Dutt way. You got that vibe.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
Sanju Baba and Cyrus Baba. That's
Hardik,
big up,
Sanju,
guns.
Cyrus. We all have the shoulder walk.
You got the guns too.
Yeah, the guns.
You got the different kind of guns.
Oh.
His
Arey
AK-56s.
yaar.
I wash my gun every day. Chalo, next.
Once a day.
That's all we had to say about that.
Yeah,
Oh,
we got nervous.
luxury
No, we're
tabs.
also running out of time. You
Did
guys are
Nagpur
talking
boys
about
steal luxury tabs worth 11 lakhs to buy an iPhone for GFs? GF? Achha, girlfriends.
girlfriend. Fuck.
GFs? No, who says, yeah?
Gujarati
Who
fuck
says
boy.
GFs
I'm
now?
in my 50s. You just crossed 30 and you're behaving like this.
GFs? Seriously?
It's like having two of me on one show. Everything stumble. What is this? What is this?
GF
What
is
is
little
this?
A, will you go out with me energy. It's
You
not-
never use GF.
Matlab, no.
You never use GF in your
Not
short
anymore.
form.
BF.
Huh, that's fair, but if you had to, you would use a GF, no?
Yeah, if I had to, I would use.
Also known as a GIF.
I read that only. iPhone for gifts.
I want
They broke into a warehouse to fund their GF's iPhones, but sold them for just 20,000.
Okay. Do you
No,
have
taps. The taps they store. They should have.
Oh,
were
they
worth more.
underestimated the cost of the iPhone.
Yeah.
They couldn't
Oh,
even
No,
buy
no.
AirPods यार.
No.
Explain
They,
this,
they,
अरे वो
explain this.
11
अरे
लाख का
बाबा,
माल
it's-
20,000 में बेचा वो.
क्यों?
they stole luxury taps. Please
हाँ,
understand.
हाँ,
Taps.
हाँ,
Huh. And
Jaguar.
हाँ.
yeah.
Polar.
The iPhone is what they will buy with
Correct.
the money they make, and they've
Correct.
undersold
Ah,
at 20
undersold.
grand. The iPhone price. Now it's like talking to
Am
me.
I like losing it?
It's like
completely?
a-
Explain it better.
After
huh?
GF, you've
One
just
second,
descended from
I
it.
will explain it.
Let Adhyapak
Okay,
Adhyapak ji,
मैं
Adhyapak
बताता
ji.
In a good accent.
Yeah.
I'll do it in a Bengali accent.
Yeah, do it.
Do it in a voice which is very light.
Yeah. That.
इतना तो मत कर.
बैटिंग करना चाहता था.
No, अमर सिंह की आवाज आपको याद है? नहीं, अमर सिंह की आवाज.
Yeah, I heard the
आप हिंदी
tapes.
हिंदी में बात करते हैं.
Oh.
अमर सिंह had a light voice.
Yeah, on
Yeah.
the tapes at least.
Like Mike Tyson. Which one do you want to do? Get on with the story.
Okay,
Explain
fine.
to her.
Yeah. They broke into a store and they stole.
What happened to the voice?
This
I
is-
paid good
this
money.
is fake
I paid
voice.
money.
This
I
is
want Aparna Didi back
I'm
now.
not.
We pay her. She cooks and does voices. This guy does nothing.
I do a voice.
Do.
Oh, पहला दुकान में गए.
Hey Guruji. Do the voice. Sorry.
Yeah, nah.
Sorry.
They walked in. We'll do it as Hrithik.
Before
Oh,
you
do
do it,
Hrithik.
do Hrithik.
Yeah.
But remember, they come from Nagpur. So
Oh.
you know, setting
it's a
is
Nagpur
setting is very
Hrithik.
important.
It's a
It's a
Nagpur
Nagpur
Hrithik.
Yeah.
मैं पोहा खाने गया था और पोहा खाने के बाद
They
I
had
some
just
oranges.
tried to register at the office of the whatever, and then they came and decided to do this. Go ahead.
Hrithik normally.
Can you finish this thing?
Yeah. So I wanted to get
This is
I wanted to
Hrithik.
get Sabah
Yeah,
some.
yeah.
Just Sabah wanted a new iPhone, yeah.
Okay.
So I walked into the store and there was Jaguar and Kohler taps everywhere. I उठा लिया यार. I went and just try and pick them up.
3.
All right, let's
You have 2 friends. Vijay and Ajay.
Ajay.
Or Iyer and Nair.
Or I went with Abhay and Farhan.
Oh, good man.
All of us went and we were like, yeah, ये taps ना मिलेंगे दोबारा. So we picked all 3 of them up. और हमें वहाँ पे यार just he said कहो ना tap है. And we bought
But the police then came.
Peaked.
Then the police came and said, "Koi mil gaya," and
Police
caught
came
you.
and said,
Very good, yeah. Fuck,
Well,
you're too good.
and we picked up the taps. And then, they were like, sell it. Sudhan was like, sell it for the alimony.
But is it true that when the people asked you, "Do you know what happened to the taps?" you said, "Jadoo." No, what is wrong with
I'm
us?
amazed.
We're like 8-year-olds. We
I'm
have to stop
amazed
this.
right now. I'm fully.
The point is, they fucked up with the value of the stuff they stole.
I
And
understood
that's
that,
the only
guys.
important
What
point.
didn't you understand?
But
am I
why?
doing
But they
this?
want to buy. That means they also
No, that's the
underestimated the
nobility.
cost.
No. You're not getting Akanksha, the nobility of the beautiful men. I want to make sure my girlfriend has a lovely iPhone. So मैं कुछ भी करेगा. And so I go and rob, tap, blah, blah, blah.
Sure.
Just into my research and undersold. And now they
Yeah.
can't buy the tap. I'm
Order
sorry.
iPhone.
But that's what.
iPhone
1 minute. That's exactly what I said. I said they sold it for lesser amount and they
Correct.
underestimated the cost of an
No,
iPhone.
you didn't say that.
What? I said they
Do
underestimated.
DRS, slow motion playback here.
One
Did she
iPhone
say-
didn't
I
know
feel all
cost.
being very insensitive. Those 3 boys from Nagpur are watching this show right now. And you're making them feel really
Where
bad.
they don't have a phone to watch.
But everything was successful.
They can't watch on their fucking tab.
They've got the other phones. What are the other Chinese phones? What are they called?
20,000 you won't get shit. Like,
What? My phone costs 8,000.
What no?
Sure.
Huh?
Really?
What do you want to see?
Guts. Why are you flirting with each other so much today? This is not
It is.
28.
What's
Oppo,
Outcast
Oppo,
Media?
what? Oh, so sweet.
Outcast Media is Kaustubh. He thinks if he
Why
puts
you're reading
Outcast, my manager, he puts Outcast Media, so it sounds like he has a big company with lots of people.
But it's one person.
One person.
Is it Outcast
One
with a K?
person. Huh?
Is it Outcast with a K?
Yeah.
That sounds rich. That sounds.
Yeah, but that's all. How you guys think you're cool because you spelled it German style and all that. Yeah, I tried that when I was abusing someone online, and I said PHCKU, and he thought I was drunk.
ये किसी?
Yes.
Like instead of FUCK. I
Oh,
thought, I
fuck.
have to explain it, so it's a waste of my time and yours.
And there.
Next time, abuse yourself. If I'm angry with you, abuse yourself, please, so I don't look bad.
Fuck me.
But why do you have to be Hrithik? I'm not paying for Hrithik.
Yes, Hrithik.
I can afford Hrithik.
It comes.
I'll
You
tell
can't
you,
go once it's in.
I can afford maybe Shreyas Talpade.
Once Hrithik enters you, there's no going back.
You afford Shreyas Talpade.
He's a foot. I didn't say
Shreyas
that.
Talpade
I don't know
can't.
him.
Can you do Shreyas Talpade?
No.
I don't think so.
Okay, who can you do other than Hrithik?
He does many people. Sometimes he talks like Farhan Akhtar just
Can you do
naturally.
Farhan Akhtar?
I don't think it's a good idea.
A little bit more.
What are you going to benefit? Like, what's the point of me doing it? Like, sure, I'll come and talk to you like him, but like, it's fucking done.
What if he's
People are
fighting?
there out there.
If Hrithik is fighting with Farhan?
Hey, just give me Don, yeah. No, yaar, I offered it to that fucker. He left it, yaar. Now what do I do?
Fucker.
He's
मुझे
not giving,
fucker है
yaar. Yaar, मैं उसको बोला, just do the fucking movie.
This is Farhan.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now who gets tougher? Like who's going to get more angry?
Oh.
That's a good point. No, very
Abhay.
Good.
Abhay will come in angry.
He'll be like, Anurag Kashyap ने मेरे साथ गलत
Just
किया.
make Don 3, yeah.
Why is Abhay Deol like?
But why would
That's
you?
his energy na mujhse ab nazar
Hey.
na
Abhay Deol
I
has
just
a
did
podcast
I did a
also.
podcast with him. The
He
sex
has
thing.
the sex
What's it
podcast.
called?
Durex.
Kohinoor. Durex.
That's the one.
They
They
sponsor it. Yeah.
Podcast का नाम Durex थोड़ी होगा यार.
Yeah. It's
Something
called
Durex, something.
I've been on it.
Oh, you spoke
And then
about
they realized that what will I talk about sex?
who you went with?
Gul Panag.
Oh, nice.
But she has her own partner. It's not like that. I mean, if that's what you're
Oh, in the
inferring.
podcast you all don't. It's not a thing where you
We
just
don't have
get
sex.
together. Oh, okay.
We have to
I
pretend
thought
we
that's what
had sex
podcast-
and talk about it.
What the fuck?
What was the theme
I
of
have
your
some
episode?
memories.
You remember?
I have some memories, like like a NFDC documentary. That kind of hazy memories are there. Black and white, slow santoor in the background. Some woman screaming but not with pleasure. That kind of thing.
What? That again sounds like porn, not like an
not porn,
NFDC
it's not
documentary.
I haven't talked.
Sounds like a sad story.
NFDC, yeah, it sounds.
Abhay's thing is it's a sex talk thingy, like open sex talk
Oh,
thingy.
acha, nahi.
So they ask you how do you pleasure women, and I say what the hell is that? I mean, I'm an Indian
Pleasure
male.
women?
Page
Together?
17 has not mentioned this up to page 22 of
Abhay
the.
Deol is married.
No.
Bro, you're asking. You're
No,
the
no, he's
Bollywood
not,
guy.
I know
Why are
this.
you asking me?
I'm not some trivia
I'm a dog
Bollywood
guy.
podcast.
Ask me about-
we are deep. We're
Ask me about
academics.
dogs. I'm a dog guy.
Oh.
I know lots about
Abhay Deol
dogs.
has a dog?
No. But good question.
Thank you.
And does the dog have sex because of the podcast? Yes.
Oh, God.
But he doesn't have a dog, but if he did, it
Oh,
would.
dear God.
So next. Last one on
World
World.
Poha
Poha
Day.
Day in Nagpur Poha. Chef Vishnu Manohar attempted a
I know,
world
there's a
record in
food
Nagpur
one
by
also.
Okay, one second. I want to abstain
say,
from
say.
this on principle because this is my top 5 worst foods.
Poha?
Worst foods.
Why? 'Cause no
I can't
protein.
now stand up and say, oh, let's talk about it.
No
because-
protein or what?
No,
That's
I have
the
a list of top 10 bad foods which my marriage nearly broke over because my wife says you should never say bad things about food and she gets really angry and protective over food, which is not her child. And I'm like, but how can you not hate food? If you love food, you also hate food. You can't. There's nobody in the world who ever being
I
honest with
like.
themselves.
I'm team you in this.
Yeah, they're foods you don't like from different
Yeah.
cultures, whatever. I've never.
I'm
liked
team
pork.
wife.
Just.
Fair enough. And I hope you have a happy life with her. Because I'm taking Aparna Didi and starting my own restaurant.
You're shipping yourself with my cook and offering a wife
She might be very attractive.
in exchange.
She might be very attractive, your cook.
But I want to know.
She is. No, she's very,
top
very
three-
nice lady.
How is she pretty?
She's a very, yeah, she's pretty.
She's
very nice
actually
looking.
You
very
fantasize
nice.
about your cook?
Not at all. Not at all.
तू एक काम कर, एक आंडू, दीदी को निकाल. Just say Aparna ji.
Her name is not even Aparna.
When you sleep at night, you won't feel bad.
Her name
Like
is
Aparna Didi, Aparna
Archana
Didi.
Didi.
शर्म की बात है, मैंने क्या किया? It's only a सपना बड़ा.
That's your impression.
Yes, my impression.
Baba,
you-
he's got really.
Hey, what's the question? Answer the question. You're not
But I want to know
lover.
what your worst food is. Also, you tell yours. Poha for you.
what's your worst food
You
is
hate
poha?
poha the most. Top.
Is it top 3-4 that I hate?
Sabudana khichdi.
I
You
hate
like-
that. I hate that also.
It makes
fuck, I
it
love
bloats
sabudana.
inside. That
Mendu
fucking shit.
vada I hate.
But
Curd rice, not a fan.
Okay, I like curd rice.
I love curd rice.
And I work with a lot of South Indian guys and they love their curd rice and you just go through it. Nobody cares about you.
I like kanji.
Not a fan.
Give credit now, fucko. I introduced.
Her
I introduced
mom,
At the
him.
moment-
her mom taught me. how to
Anybody
make-
thinking Chinese now? Because I've had enough.
I have pal kanji right now. I have carrot kanji.
Okay, answer
Between
this question.
podcasts,
Okay,
I'm
okay.
gonna- Yeah,
Read,
sorry.
read.
Oh, sorry.
Read now.
On World Poha Day, Chef Vishnu Manohar attempted a world record in Nagpur by preparing over
No, attempted. He did it.
He did it.
He did it. It's completed 3,000 kg.
Yeah, I'm reading what's written.
I'm so sorry. I cut your line. I'm so sorry.
Let me
Touchy
take it.
actor.
But touchy
Dilip
actor.
Kumar साहब को
Let me-
गुस्सा हो गया.
Can I go again? Can I
Kumar
go?
साहब is not. Yusuf साहब is not happy.
I thought I was Big
Yusuf
B
साहब,
of
no.
OTT. Huh?
Yusuf साहब, do it again. World Poha Day. Cut, paste.
Attempted a world record. Nagpur by preparing over 3,000 kg of city's iconic tari poha.
Tari poha, tari poha.
Like tari,
Like
rasa
rasam.
wala.
हाँ.
Rasam nahi
Rasa,
yaar.
rasa poha,
Yeah,
rasa.
the South
Sorry.
Indian half है. Because देख
but-
के you're assuming.
Dude, you don't know.
Rasam poha.
There's a picture. There's a big.
Unique version served with spicy gravy. You will go. What next? Photo will come.
You know, I actually didn't
You're a big
know.
poha fan.
I'm okay on it. It's a 5 on 10 according to me.
5 on 10. You're a huge poha fan. Okay.
Fuck poha. I don't like it.
I won't go that far. Don't disrespect
Yeah.
No, I meant I love it.
the food. Shreyas. Oh, yeah, correct. This is his uncle. This is uncle. I forgot.
Who's uncle?
Shreyas Manohar, India's finest comedian.
Oh,
His uncle is Vishnu Manohar. They own a chain of restaurants, blah, blah, blah.
okay.
He himself has done this.
Shreyas Manohar, the comedian's
Yes,
family owns a chain of restaurants.
Shreyas' dark secret is he's super rich.
What
That he
is-
went to Colombia to study. But he comes and
Nice
lives in a
kind of
small hovel in Bandra and acts like he's struggling. But
What
it's
was
not,
the restaurant chain
It's
called?
like
Manohar only.
Vishnu Ji Ki Rasoi. It's very well known and they've opened in Canada, Dubai, everywhere. India, 26 branches. And outside India also 5-7 branches.
We'll
and,
go
and
what?
growing. No,
There's
you
my
call
Bombay.
Shreyas. Why do you want to pay?
Bombay, it's there.
And the plan was that because Shreyas wanted to make a career of himself and this stand-up comedy was not really blossoming, that he performs in all these restaurants.
What?
So you have to check his
Like
date.
it's a
Any Poha
restaurant.
fans in the house?
Yeah.
Huh? Hey, so what's the deal with 30 Poha, right?
Yeah.
Would someone eat
But
3,000
he's allowed to make
kilos of
only 3 jokes on their food, not more. That's like 3 strikes and
That's
out.
generous,
yeah,
though.
yeah.
30 Poha.
So this is the famous Vishnu Manohar, the same family as the Shashank Manohar. They're all the same family. Nagpur.
Manohar?
I didn't put it together. I should have put it together when I read it. Shashank Manohar, ex-chairman of Cricket India.
Oh, so that's also the same family.
Same family, and then he
What
went.
is
He,
this
he was the
prolific?
ICC president for some time.
I'll follow Shreya.
Shreyas is huge.
Yeah,
Shreyas
yeah.
is huge.
We'll follow.
Clearly,
He'll be
he's
friends with us.
influential.
Yeah. He does that palm reading thing, na? He reads your future.
I'll not follow.
Yeah, in a funny
He was
way.
a handwriting
Oh, it's comedy.
analyst.
It's not
pure
serious
comedy.
palm.
No, you put your hand out from like you're on the 25 feet away and just put your hand up like
You're
that.
related to
And-
Bejan
and-
Daruwala.
No. I think it's trying to revive the Congress. I'm not sure, but he does that a lot.
Palm reading.
Yeah.
No votes.
Have you met Bejan? We've interviewed Bejan.
You know, that's how you
Legend,
say it.
legend,
I've been
legend.
saying Bejan all my life. It's Bejan.
Yeah, Bejan.
Like a Bengan.
Bejan. Daru.
Can't say that.
Bejan. It's Bejan.
Is he young?
It's
Is
like
it
in
old?
Of course
Gujarati,
not, he's old, yeah.
Bejan means 2 people.
Is it? Oh, this is an older gentleman. I now don't know.
He's
old-
passed away, Baba.
He's very old.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Mr. Bejan Daruwala is dead.
Now, yes.
He's
Why are you repeating it? I
Bejan.
just told you.
They'll cut out your part. You know, Cyrus, this gentleman's passed away. Just I would request you to.
Yeah, hold it. Not hold it, but yeah, I know what I mean.
What?
I know what you mean.
I know what I mean.
You know what we mean.
not
Between us, we mean something.
Okay, what's your
This doesn't sound
You
very
didn't
nice.
say what you hate eating.
I'm thinking.
No, one second, guys, there's 2 things here. One is it's a world record, so that we should be proud of. Second is whether you like the dish, blah, blah, blah.
Why do we have world records for these type of things?
I think in India, everything is a world record only. Because
Why
even too
are we
many
doing
people.
this?
Well, it's
But this
better,
isn't
na?
Guinness, this is Limca
you
level.
think, should you bomb Tehran or should you make a world record with Poha? I think.
Oh, these are the options we've got? Okay.
Lower stakes.
These are the options. Got it.
Poha.
Oh, sure. That's an easy answer.
we should have got Shreyas for this bit, yeah. I feel so bad.
Cut out this question.
No.
Ask Shreyas only later.
Yeah,
He'll
don't
tell.
talk to us. Talk to
Plug his
me.
restaurant.
I
Nah,
mean,
you are rich people,
yeah,
you get. I get
yeah,
it.
these-
I'll plug
Poor
just
people.
because
I'll
Best
plug your
shopping.
restaurant. What is your restaurant called?
My restaurant, it's called
Aparna
Som.
Didi Ka Hawal.
It's called Som.
Som. You mean S-O-M-E, but French.
Status.
Status.
Are you trying to make South Mumbai jokes here?
Swati snacks.
Because I don't eat in these places. So you're wasting your time, yeah.
Gaylord you must be eating.
Of course, look at me.
Of course.
I like my pink butter chicken. Okay, we're gonna get into trouble. Listen, we are not anti-gay at all, huh? He is. I'm pro.
How?
After the Manola flirted with each other, no one is.
I know.
We all
Too much,
know.
huh?
Yeah,
Nice
all are
pretty,
fully vibing.
pretty girl is sitting
Yeah.
here and all we're doing is looking at each
Where?
other.
Yeah. Bye.
She's also Akanksha. Oh, we have to do a game. Fuck, this show never
The
ends.
scary award, the scary game award.
We'll do now.
You all have a senior
I don't know
five.
why you're asking me otherwise.
You have senior five
fine.
after
We'll change everything. Huh? This is
Okay, so this is called. What is it called? Cyrus Lies, apparently.
This is I'm Manoj Kumar for this. We are Manoj.
You can share one hand. Oh, that'd be too much. Hrithik Roshan made his acting debut. Now see, there's been pressure on you because you're the it's on Bollywood
Sure,
and Hollywood.
sure.
Yeah, so you're supposed to know now. In case
We'll
you
kill
want
it.
help,
Yeah.
just give me a signal which is subtle.
I will never
That's
do that.
is that subtle?
Maybe do you want to do
Okay,
that?
okay. We settle.
Now, this is what you want?
Can you
We'll do
move-
it together. One,
Can you
two,
move
three.
your ears? That's a bit too much, so they'll know. Give me something less.
Ah.
Can you do your lower body something?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I can't deal with this. I'm
Hrithik
on a
Roshan
date.
made his acting debut at the age of 6 as an extra in a dance sequence for the movie Hum. Oh,
Yeah,
Hum.
fat, true.
Amitabh and Kimi Katkar.
Huh.
I saw these movies.
Oh, he was very cute.
So is it true or not?
True.
Oh no, wait. That's his debut.
You're saying true and you're saying
False.
okay. If it's false, then what would be his debut?
Bhagwan Dada was the name of the
you
first
know
film
this,
he
right?
acted in, I think.
No, it was about hope and called Asha.
Asha.
No!
There was some other movie, Bhagwan Dada.
Bhagwan Dada is a famous dancer
No,
actor.
not
which-
Bhagwan the actor.
Then?
He did one called Data or something. Maybe it was called
This is
Asha.
not a good answer, yeah. You're making up anything.
Both
you
of
want.
just
us
thought
failed.
Hrithik's
0,
debut was
0.
zero.
But you
Zero,
were
zero.
better because you were with
I said
aplomb.
true.
You said no. You said definitely it
Aplomb.
was Hum. We have all seen the movie 8 times.
I love Hum. It's one of my favorite
Yeah,
films.
yeah. Hum. That's Hum.
Ik doosar aisa
That's from the
Hey,
movie
Hadar,
Hum.
Hum.
That's from the movie.
He has
wanna-
to hum it. It's a pun.
As a king of pun, you.
So how can I not
Why are
sing
you
this song?
explaining to him like he's
Ek
your
doosre
child
se
who's
hum
backward?
That's
My
how
backward child is not understanding the
that's how
film.
she talks to
Dekho
me
bhai,
all the time.
it's not right, yeah,
Like
this
some
relationship.
I was helping
she's
you.
guiding me live life.
Okay, this guy's 0-0. Huh? So
2-0.
I tried to help. You're useless.
We'll either both get.
Now please get one right.
Okay.
Amitabh Bachchan was replaced in Sholay, nearly replaced in Sholay because Javed Akhtar thought his voice was too weak for the role. Okay, so it's a twist here. Amitabh Bachchan was almost replaced because his voice was too weak according to Javed Akhtar for the role. Now,
What's the twist?
that,
Javed Akhtar was
so
almost
if it's
replaced
not
because
true,
Amitabh-
if it's not true, then there'll be a twist. If it's true, then obviously there's no twist. So you decide.
So then it's not true.
And then what's the twist?
he
It was
wanted-
too strong.
Amitabh Bachchan wanted
I'll give you a hint.
Gabbar,
Because his.
but he didn't get Gabbar because his
No. But
He
you're,
did na-
you're getting close. You're getting close.
someone wanted Gabbar. There was something about multiple people.
Gabbar
wanting
is right. Gabbar is right. Now think. Think, you bloody idiot. Don't shame me like this.
Amjad Khan.
Yeah.
Amjad Khan.
What did I just say? Nah,
His
just
voice was
use-
too weak.
Yes! The woman has got the brains. Yeah. Men are useless. Yeah.
You did everything. I just like
I
closed
did
the
Javed
door.
Akhtar felt
Very
Amjad
very.
Khan's voice, which was a little thin actually. It always was thin if you really listen to it.
Oh.
Yeah. Compared to these two baritones, it,
Yeah,
very.
Amitabh Bachchan is too
Oh,
unique.
yeah, Amitabh Bachchan's voice was unbelievable.
No, it was decent
No.
only.
That's
That would be such a cool
Arey
take
Baba,
on
that's the
Gabbar.
first take. You don't sing the 16 take
I'm
now.
absolutely in love with
If I say
Javed Sahab, but
kitne-
his voice is not
No,
that great.
his voice, I know what
I
you're
love
talking about.
his
His voice
voice.
is fine. What you're talking about is the
I love
delivery
Javed
style,
Sahab.
which may.
No, he's my favorite.
He's
yeah,
too good.
The Lalit Modi school of conversation. I know I won't go there, but I know what you're saying. Let's.
No, I think
All good?
Javed Akhtar too good.
I love Javed Akhtar.
Handsome, very
And what a fantastic wit, bro. You got,
amazing.
who's
man.
left like that anymore?
I feel like I'd be very intimidated if I was talking
Not
to
at
him.
all.
No?
He's like me. He likes the ladies. He's always going to be nice to them.
Yeah.
You're biased here.
He doesn't know I'm not a lady.
I love ladies. Don't. Today was an anomaly, a mistake.
I'm not. So wait.
I had poha for the first.
Oh my god!
अभी आज के बाद कभी नहीं बेटा आज के बाद
I'll
कभी नहीं
remember. I'll never watch this man.
Okay, so 16 got it?
Got,
so 0-2.
got.
I know what 16 is, but anyway.
0-2, I got 1 point for the first one.
Salman Khan, I know but I think Salman Khan was actually initial choice for DDLJ.
False.
Yeah, it
Okay,
was
then-
Tom Cruise.
Yeah, Tom Cruise.
Good.
Hey, we have to say also a word.
No, you're right. I'll give
Yeah,
it,
false.
give it
Tom
to
Cruise,
them.
I knew this.
It's
Everyone
Saif Ali,
knows.
Saif Ali
Saif
Khan.
Ali also, but Tom Cruise also.
Really? Tom Cruise also?
Yeah, they
was
wanted like
originally
a
written as a
white.
white
They
guy.
wanted a
Oh,
white guy.
oh. But was it Tom Cruise
Yeah,
actually?
yeah,
specifically?
yeah.
Tom Cruise was approached. They were going to approach him.
They, yeah.
And
It
then
was
what-
going to be it was not an NRI story. It was a white girl who falls in love with Kajol
Huh.
and then comes here and takes like a they would have really
Where's the
catered-
white guy then?
White guy, white guy. You
White
said
guy,
girl.
white guy.
White
But you
guy.
said lesbian, sorry.
and didn't say the
It could have been. I think that would have been a
didn't
banger.
say
But I would have
anything.
finally watched DDLJ if only you made the film.
Banger, yeah.
Banger.
Banger.
Kajol Rani starrer. DDLJ.
They're sisters, bro.
So Saif was the. So did you say it? We'll give it to her.
We'll give no.
Dilwali Dulhania Le Jayegi.
3-0.
Hey, Shantanu, don't act. Another comedy, you're feeling pain here because you got 0.
You gave me her extra.
But I'll help you with this one. Anil Kapoor's family first moved to Mumbai. They resided in the garage of the legendary Shami Kapoor.
This is true. Is
Okay,
it
you
Shami
think
Kapoor
about
or
it.
wait? It's not
No,
Shami
no, they're
Kapoor. The
related
twist
to the
is
other Kapoors.
it's not Shami. No, but they stayed in the garage.
Okay,
he was
that-
his
okay,
manager.
you're right, you're
he was
right
a
so
Kapoor.
far.
No, but the
No.
other they're related to they're related to Mr.
Name
Yash
every
Chopra.
bloody Kapoor.
Yash
Name
Chopra.
all the
They-
fucking Kapoors.
they Yash
Name every
Chopra's cousin.
bloody Kapoor in Punjab.
It wasn't Shami Kapoor. That's my thing.
Oh.
It will be some other Kapoor.
She's right.
है ना?
She's absolutely
you've
right.
done-
Now
now
give me
close
the
the
name.
loop, close the
Replace the Shami with something else.
Raj Kapoor.
Rishi.
Yes! Bro, you're blown away. Bro.
Same garage. Rishi Kapoor, Raj Kapoor, same garage.
It's called Durga Ma energy.
Somewhere different garage. They would have same Krishna house or whatever. The
Female
same
Shakti,
table
bhai.
man.
Female Shakti is killing you, bro.
Yeah.
It's killing you.
Godrej mein.
Where's your Bengali accent now, man? What the hell?
Amit Tomage, fuck off.
Okay, we got one more. We do Jeopardy here.
Yeah.
If he gets it, he wins.
ठीक है, got it.
Oh,
If you get it, you've already won anyway. Even if you don't get it, you win.
I'm getting it.
But if he gets it, he wins the whole tournament.
Okay.
It's like next to
Tournament.
Bro, this is the French
Olympics
Open.
level, let's go. Chalo.
Olympics Indians never win.
That's true. He's not nice.
Okay, wait.
He's not
Okay, Akanksha, I'm getting competitive.
Okay. Oh shit, I'm scared.
Come on, put it up. Shahid Kapoor. Was a background dancer in the late 90s.
Wrong.
Wrong. Dil to pagal hai.
Dil to pagal hai and
I got
taal.
it first.
Dil to pagal hai
I
and
said
taal.
Dil to pagal hai first.
Shamak Davar instructor.
Jori, who said it first? I think, no, she said, Dil to Pagal, she said.
But he told both the movies.
That's true.
There were 2 movies.
Yeah.
So he
50-50.
wins. How can you let him win? What the fuck, man?
Yeah.
He can't win.
This is the bias.
No!
My namesake has betrayed.
Okay, let's call it a tie. Because she also
Why?
said everything.
Why?
Don't be a bail,
Why
yeah.
are we going
I
into
guess.
She got everything right.
Passion, what the fuck? Yeah.
You're like the child with no future, so I had to give you a chance. So we gave you all
Child
this.
with no future.
Yeah, so
I
we
don't
we
own
gave you a leg
restaurants
up,
like-
man. We gave you a leg up and you're spitting
Our
on
future
society.
is
You give me a leg up later.
Ah,
We'll talk then.
I gave you more than a leg up, baby. But
Let's broach at that subject later.
yeah, but after that, Aparna Didi enters the room.
No.
Because my fantasy is full. Does she watch the show?
No.
Does
I hope
Is
not.
English conversant with English?
She watches my other stuff.
Oh,
but
shit.
No, this one she doesn't. It's not Masi enough.
I would keep it away from her.
Yeah.
Otherwise she'll become
Maybe
your
if she steals
she'll
some
become your
luxury
Masi.
taps, then maybe.
Be very careful. I had that as part of the fantasy. Because you got to take it somewhere for the audience. You can't just be sex.
You're a micro drama writer, sir.
Bro, I'm a fool. I'm like Jane Austen, bro. I can lot of stuff happening in the background.
You
we done?
tore it, love it.
I'm
That was
so
very
sorry.
passionate.
I'll-
Shantanu won. Fuck this game.
Yeah, but that's cheating, right?
Yeah.
He got that with the. I mean. But I thought but she said it.
Yeah.
You decided to give it to him.
Yeah.
Why? Because he did a nice impression of Hrithik Roshan.
He's
It's not
cute
fair.
and also these
It's too much. It's very
I'm
chauvinism, I tell
That's
you.
what I'm getting-
Akanksha's chauvinism.
Yeah, I'm
The
getting-
male already has enough. Why give him more?
I fully agree.
And he failed as
I
usual.
get
Should we kill him?
I get no love in the comments on our show.
That's
Really?
not true at all.
Everyone's like,
See-
oh, Akanksha's so smart, Akanksha's so lovely, and they're like, hey, hey,
No.
That's why.
That's what they think of
He's
me.
big.
Shantanu,
bro.
I have
He's
the same
becoming a
problem.
victim. He's becoming
No,
a victim.
Do what I do. Just
I'm
make it.
playing man card.
No, make it an audio podcast.
Or, correct.
Oh.
I have the
What
face for
are you
radio.
trying to say? I can't.
He's saying I have a
I
face
can't
for radio.
speak.
No.
Words are useless.
He's insulting me.
He's insulting
You're
both
like,
of us.
You're shooting her.
In 5 minutes,
You
he's
can't
insulted
speak.
both
He's
of
like
us.
the audio podcast with Akanksha's photo and my voice. Dubbed over like Manoj Kumar.
They've left. Manoj ji, they've all left. There's no one here. There's just 3 of us.
We keep
Yeah.
talking. We have to do this for the
Imagine
next 4 hours.
if we can say the technicians walk out, then I mean that's really embarrassing.
Yeah.
Or is it a win?
It's a win.
I feel like it's a win.
It's a win.
Ultimately, we're
We
creating
are the
for
last man
ourselves.
standing.
Yeah,
You're
we're
right.
creating for
It's a win
ourselves.
because we love our art form so
Okay,
much.
that's
that we don't-
gendered. Last
don't care about
women
audience and all.
standing also.
Last woman standing.
Yeah. Last person standing.
Person.
Before I got it.
LPS.
I got it.
Table.
Very professional.
Table, chair, everything should
Before the interval, last man standing. After the interval, last woman standing.
Yeah.
Everybody's happy. Cover the bases. Can you name all LGBTQs? The entire thing.
Like, what, is this a
Means like
census?
people's names.
Yeah, you know
Like
all
the
these
acronym
options.
we should build out.
And go.
Lesbian, bisexual, LG. Sorry, lesbian,
It's
gay,
much more than Q, huh?
bisexual.
Q is only what we say.
I'll say the alphabet. Tu bol.
हाँ, वो
वो
हाँ.
alphabet.
L, हाँ, ये
Lesbian.
it doesn't do. L,
Lesbian बोला तो.
G,
Yeah.
Gay,
B,
bisexual,
Yeah.
T,
transgender,
Q,
Yeah.
queer.
I,
Fuck.
Indian.
I was going to say I.
Yeah, I'm feeling really shitty. Actually.
Patriotic at least.
There's much more, bro. It doesn't end there.
Plus,
Plus,
That's
next time.
I actually say LGBT+.
To be concluded.
C.V. Raman.
Sorry. Yeah. We will educate ourselves.
But also,
Utpala Devi.
technically, you're a heterosexual, so you don't know enough.
But that's not a good excuse.
It's not a good thing. We should know more. We should know.
Ramanujam, I meant Ramanujam. Not CV, but CV.
He's on his own show,
The
bro.
views of the guests are their own views. We are not
I went
responsible.
wrong.
Guys, let me give you something to take home.
Oh, yay! Half a...
Thanks for
yay.
coming.
I get Uses.
I get Sprite.
That's not Sprite. Are you dyslexic?
Break with me, bro.
This is not recording, huh?
So we can say whatever.
But cut this, please, huh? Fucking last time,
Well, why would you say it? I was just inferring and we would have left it. Why did you have to say it? Now we have to trust the fucking editor to can it.
You know how much dirt they've got on you. They can fuck with you.
Yeah, we can just keep the single camera on you only because we two are actually out of it.
We are fine. We
You
are
guys
okay.
have been saying such sexual dirty shit in this
No,
whole
no.
episode.
You can
Akansha,
be sex positive, yeah.
Just look into the camera and do like, oh shit, like that once. Bas, ho gaya. We got the cut also. You said it, she does the cut.
I'm with an expert. I'm safe.
Expert. And then when they take you to the station, which is just opposite where you can park the car also, she can come and visit you.
Oh, I'll also give reactions. Please take your hand off. I'm not feeling. I'm not
Cyrus.
feeling safe. Cyrus, I'm talking to you. And there are two hands.
Uncle, it's not my hand.
There, I'll give more reactions.
Chalo. Ready.
Did you know Indians report nearly 800 cases of online financial fraud every day, which has resulted in losses exceeding 1,000 crores in the last 5 years? To keep you safe from such fraud, I am starting my newest podcast series, Conversation with Vigilante, an initiative by HDFC Bank. In every episode, I will feature special guests who can share expert insights on the different types of fraud, their modus operandi, and how you can protect your money. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't forget to tune into Conversation with Vigilante. Catch the episodes on all audio streaming platforms and V for Vigilante YouTube channel.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो,
Please. तमीज से बात करना है ना. Important people यार.